Next.
Already, while on
No.
smart
Contempt
while-
raised or urgency. 24 matter we cannot afford to give a listing. We have matters of 13, 14. Yes, next.
Meet visit for your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 28 to 39, lordship. Series matter, lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of MS R. Bora, Standing Counsel, Agriculture Department.
Item number
28 to 39, lordship.
28 to 39.
Series matter.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of MS R. Bora. She is having certain personal difficulty to attend the court today, lordship. Lordship, may kindly fix the matter in the next week, lordship.
Inform the other side.
Like, lordship, the consent has already been taken, lordship.
Okay. It is submitted that Ms. Arbor, Learned Standing Council Agriculture Department is having some personal difficulties. Full stop. Matters are accordingly adjourned to be listed after a week.
Obliged, lordship.
28 to 39.
Yes, lord.
Yes.
Obliged, lord.
May please, Lord. But I am paying for listing for withdrawal today, my lord.
Today.
Withdrawal of the petition.
Today,
It is not required, lordship, because item number 3, the provisional pension method.
I am paying for withdrawal. This is not in leave.
today will it be possible? I don't think it will be possible. If you can bring it, good, but unnecessary will burden the registry.
On
I am not in this matter.
Monday?
Monday. Lord.
Okay.
May please, Lord. I did mention item number 44, Lord.
4.
For-
Yes.
With the consent of the others, letter, I am appearing on behalf of 8 Gupta learned teachers. But it has got some personal difficulty today. But next week and taken up after 3 weeks.
After?
3 weeks, Lord. Already Parawise command has been received.
Okay. It is submitted on behalf of Sri H. Gupta, Learned CGC, that the parawise comments have been received and the affidavit in opposition will be filed soon. Full stop. On such request, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Obliged, Lord.
Please, therefore listing a new motion matter listed on Monday.
My lord, pending matter, my release of pension of the year 21, my lord. Authority has.
Okay, Wednesday, pension.
May please, lordship, mention the listing of a matter. Your lordship allowed on 2nd of August. The matter listed before my lord justice Naya lordship. Lordship was not to take up the matter.
What is the matter about?
Matter about selection and engagement of Anganwadi worker. Lordship, matter
What
of
is the
2000
stage? Motion stage?
No, lordship, admission, lordship. 2022 matter, lordship. I am out of service, lordship.
22 matter. Okay, Friday next.
Obliged.
Not a matter of out of turn listing. Okay, Friday next.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship, pray for listing to read petitions for a pensionary matter
Pension matters. Matters of which year?
22.
Okay. We'll have it on Wednesday next.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I would like to withdraw item number 3. The pension process has been started, Lordship. It's liberty to fresh file if required.
While you require, if it is process is started, 3 M. Malakar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that as per instructions, the process for pension has been started, and therefore he submits that there is no existing cause of action. Also heard Miss M.D. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel,
Transport Department.
Transport Department. AG, anyone? AG, who appears for AG? Who's there in the court, Mr. Bora? R.K. Talur. Also heard Sri R.K. Talur, Learned Standing Counsel, AG. Para? Writ petition is accordingly closed on withdrawal.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May it please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for listing of an admission matter on 12. Urgency is, my lord. On 31st/7/2024, my lord, the matter was come up, my lord. It's a matter pertaining to, my lord, for staying of a disciplinary proceeding. From the side of the, my lord, respondent, my lord, department, my lord, they said, my lord, already, my lord, my lord, inquiry has been completed, my lord. Whereas, my lord, yesterday evening, I got a letter from the department saying that, my lord, I have been asked to appear in the my lord, that inquiry, my lord. So, my lord, matter is very, my lord, urgent, my lord.
What is the urgency?
I have a prayer for, my lord, pay, my lord, because as
How
far as
to stay a
pension
departmental
judgment
proceeding? Tell us under what law? We stay a proceeding, departmental proceeding.
my lord,
Sorry, no,
it's
no
out
urgency.
of this, my lord, same
No,
issue.
no out of turn listing. Matter, there is some issue, but no out of turn listing. Sorry. Yes.
May it please your lordship, this is a 2019 matter. The urgency is that the advertisement has
19
been
matter will have
on Wednesday,
Friday.
next Friday.
Yes.
Your
I take mention for listing the
Matter of which year?
2024.
24. What is the urgency?
Lordship, a authority appointed another person is legal in petition.
No, what is the urgency? That is the cause of action. No out of turn listing of this matter. Sorry, don't make mention of this matter. Yes,
My lord, I am praying to list this matter on next week, my lord. It was actually earlier filed on, listed on 15/7, my lord. But soon after
what is
filing,
the urgency for listing?
my lord, urgency is there. Apart from that, my lord, this was already listed on 15/7, my lord. But soon after filing, my lord, it was found that there was some typing mistake regarding the name of the respondent, my lord. That's why court has,
Motion matter.
yes, my lord.
Motion will have.
Yes, my lord. And
Motion
state,
we
my
can have
lord.
it on Monday.
Yes, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Wait, please. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a review petition.
Review.
Yes.
Order of this court.
Yes.
Filed when?
Well, filed in 2023. Last and before summer vacation, it was directed
Okay,
to list.
next week, next Wednesday.
16th
Next Wednesday. Say 16th, okay, Friday.
month.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a writ petition for orders, lordship. 2022 matter, lordship.
Subject matter.
Lordship, salary and allowances to the employees of Haripur.
Salary and allowance. Okay, Friday next.
Lordship, can it be on Wednesday, lordship?
Wednesday has fixed many matters. Friday, 16th.
Obliged.
But I beg to mention for listing case, my lord, the compensation appointment only issue is that his name is
Sorry, for compensation appointment, no urgency. Sorry.
May I please your lordship, my lord, lordship, I beg to mention item number 54 on behalf of Mr. NMB today, lordship. Lordship, the matter may be fixed at 2 p.m. lordship.
64.
64, yes, lordship, 2020 matter, lordship.
Why at 2 p.m.?
Lordship, actually, my senior has some personal difficulty after 2, lordship.
After 2.
After 2 p.m.
If we take about 2, how will he be able to do this?
Lordship, actually, the petitioner is deprived from his regular pension and other allowances, lordship.
Hearing matter of 2020, hearing matter, we cannot upgrade. We have orders, admission, motion. We'll go by order. As in the list. We cannot just fix at 2 o'clock. It will reach otherwise. If it's an urgent matter, ask him to stay. We cannot specially take up this matter. It's in the hearing matter, hearing column. Sorry, it'll reach. Yes.
My dearest lordship, I beg to mention item number 45.
Yeah.
The respondent has filed their objection. We need 1 week of time to file a reply.
You're for the petitioner.
Yes, lordship.
45.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Bidas on
On-
behalf of AM Ahmed.
Okay. You inform PNRD.
Yes, lord.
Have you informed Panchayat Rural Development? You have not. Don't make a mention without informing. We have been telling this to the bar repeatedly.
Lord will inform.
We will not do. You be on the other side. We'll not inform you. You wait till 4 o'clock. Then you find that his matter has been adjourned. Okay.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 11 with the consent of the other side.
Okay.
Due to some personal difficulties, the engaged counsel of the petitioner could not be present today.
Who is for the SBI?
Sir, BK Sen.
BK Sen.
I have taken his consent,
Okay.
sir. I've informed.
You're for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner.
When do you want? It's for motion. When do you want?
2024.
When do you want?
Sir, next week, if possible.
Okay, Wednesday. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Miss Yasdas,
As
learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. List on Wednesday next. Motion matter, yeah.
objection.
Yes.
So,
Your HA3. What is your name?
RL Sutia,
Your RL Chutia.
on MP of Adverts.
You want to withdraw this?
Lordship,
Sri RL Chutia, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions to withdraw this writ petition, full stop. Also heard Sri H. Aliha, Leonard Standing Council, Finance Department. Health, anyone? Health? Oh, no. DP Bora, Health Council, AG, R.K. Talukdar, who do not object to the aforesaid prayer, full stop. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal. Last up, yes.
Yes, Doctor, sexual harassment case. My learned friend was supposed
Yes,
to bring.
last time we had taken up the matter.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner is contending that there was a report by the internal complaint committee, and therefore the subsequent disciplinary proceeding is not maintainable, cannot be initiated. My lord, in this regard, we have
No, I'm not saying that. Let me clarify.
No, we remember what Mr. Tiwari has said.
So-
He has not said that.
yes, my lord. No, the internal complaint committee, my lord, in terms of the act, my lord, has not been constituted in the college till date, my lord.
Okay.
So there is a report from the that is called, my lord, another committee, my lord, with the name of
Sexual harassment.
Sexual Harassment Committee, my lord.
Okay.
And that the committee filed a report, my lord, which is also not conclusive, my lord. There is no any conclusion or finding regarding the incident, my lord. So therefore, my lord, the department has initiated the departmental proceeding, my lord.
On the
And
basis of what?
on the basis of allegation, my lord, complaint, my lord. On the basis of
If it
complaint,
is
my
a
lord,
complaint relating to sexual harassment in workplace,
yes, my lord.
it is the special statute which will cover.
Yes, my lord, but internal complaint committee has not been constituted in the institution.
Then
till
you
date.
constitute.
That has not been constituted. But my lord, otherwise also, my lord, for the misconduct, there is no bar to initiate the disciplinary proceeding, my lord. There is no bar, my lord. For any misconduct on the part of the employee, my lord, what is the bar to initiate?
No, where is your difficulty in constituting a committee under the act?
My lord, that will be
You
constituted,
constitute
my
a committee, proceed in accordance with law.
no, my lord.
If you are putting a question, where is the bar in proceeding?
Yes, my lord.
Then what is your difficulty in constituting the committee?
That will be constituted.
This was enacted when? 2013.
Yes, my
When
lord.
was Visakha?
Yes, my
Visakha
lord.
was long time back.
Yes, my lord.
Even after Visakha, you could have straight away constituted the committee system, given a statutory color in 2013. That's a different matter.
Yes, my
More
lord.
than a decade has passed.
My lord, that has not been constituted, so there is no report, my lord. So, my lord, into the
You constitute a committee, matter ends there. Make it easy,
but
make
my
it
lord,
very easy.
otherwise also disciplinary proceeding, my lord, that if that is proceeded, my lord, the petitioner has submitted his proposed reply also, my lord. The reply also he has submitted. So that is proceeding, my lord. So in that
Mr. Tiwari, what do you say?
I beg your pardon, my lord.
What do you say?
My lord, my simple thing is, the committee indeed was constituted in the college, but in the present case, there was no proper constitution of the committee. Since the proper constitution of the committee was not there, external monitors were not involved. That is why the chairman of the complaint committee suggested that let the proper constitution of the committee be there and let the inquiry be carried out. Likewise, my lord, the preliminary inquiry was also conducted on the instruction of the joint secretary, and the inquiry officer happened to be the director Ayush. So, my lord, in the preliminary inquiry also he emphasized upon the inquiry to be conducted by the committee under the 2013 Act. Now, my lord, these two things were there. Now, I only say, my lord, I am under suspension. Let me remain under suspension. I am not influencing anything. But the nature of allegation is such, it all happened in the premises of the college. Now, initially, even the dates were not given. Now they say it happened in sometime in 2023. So let the inquiry be conducted. Let external monitors be involved. Let NGOs and whatever be there as per the requirement of the act. Let them do it within a given time frame. I'll face it. And be subject to the outcome of the inquiry, my lord, the disciplinary authority can take a call. It has the power to impose a penalty. Likewise, my lord, criminal proceeding is also being carried out. Charge sheet has also been filed. I'm facing both. Let me face it. My lord, there are reasons why, my lord, there are certain other factors here. Unfortunately, in
Mr.
this
Bora,
case.
the allegations may be very serious, but that will not mean that you will not follow the due process. He is under suspension.
yes, my lord.
So your apprehension of tampering, that is also out.
Yes, my
You
lord.
constitute the committee, go proceed in accordance.
My
with
lord,
the
if your lordship peruses the so cause noted at page 53, my lord, the
53.
initiation of disciplinary proceeding, my lord.
53.
Yes,
Eh,
my lord.
Yes, please.
53. So it has been proceeded in terms of the rules, my lord. It has been initiated, my lord. And the petitioner has submitted his reply also, my lord, at page, my lord, 55, my lord.
That I should, so why should I not?
So, my lord, if this proceeding, because that internal complaint committee, that has not been constituted till date, my lord. So this has been proceeded, my lord. It has been initiated because the
Okay, we'll heard. Sri P.K. Tiwari, Learned Senior Counsel for the petition assisted by Sri U. Pathak. Para. The petitioner is aggrieved by initiation of a disciplinary proceeding by under the provisions of the Assam Service within bracket Discipline and Appeal bracket close rules 1964, prior to which he was placed under suspension on 14/5/2024. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that a complaint was made against him alleging sexual harassment, and the allegations were looked into by a committee which did not come to any finding. Full stop. It is also the case of the petitioner that the committee itself was not properly constituted. Full stop.
committee has not been constituted, my lordship. In terms of the act, my lord, the committee.
Yes,
has not been-
properly not constituted.
No, has not constituted, my
That
lord.
is his submission. We
Yes,
have
my
not.
lord. Yes, my lord, sorry, my lord.
Is not properly constituted. Full stop. Para. On the other hand, comma, Sri Bora, the Learned Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department, has submitted that the internal committee, complaint committee ICC, under the so-and-so act has not been constituted so far as the Swahid Jadab Nath Government Homeopathic Medical College at Guwahati is concerned. And there is no bar, and there should not be any bar to proceed under the rules of 1964. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Sri Bora accepts notice on behalf of Bora Learned Standing Council accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Let extra copies be served upon him within 3 working days. Full stop. Para. Sri Tiwari, the Learned Senior Council, prays for an interim order. Para. When this Jadhav Nath Medical College and Hospital was instituted, had come up
That
2020,
establishment will not.
2011. 2011.
Not aware, I'm not aware.
Much prior than that. Okay. The Act of 2013 was brought in terms of the guidelines made by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Visakha versus State of Rajasthan. What is the citation? 97.
Citation, I'm sorry.
97.
I'll supply me lot with the name.
97.
Sometime in 97, I remember, but straight away.
97. Full stop. Though more than, though, and apart from the fact that the college and hospital involved is concerned was in existence much prior to the Act of 2013, comma, more than a decade has passed, and it is a matter of concern that the internal complaint committee, which is an essential requirement under the Act, has not yet been constituted. Full stop. A prima facie look at the allegations would show that it is essentially connected with the Act of 2013. Full stop. Considering that the petitioner is already under suspension, comma, in the interest of justice, it is directed that till the returnable date, comma, further proceedings in the disciplinary proceeding initiated by charge sheet dated 18/4/2024 shall remain suspended.
My lord, may I play
Yes.
also?
Pendency shall not be a bar
Yes.
to constitute the ICC in accordance with law and proceed with the matter.
My lord, that, obliged. This is what I wanted.
নাম লৈ ল'ব এতিয়াই লৈ ল'ব। আৰু হেৰি বিশাখাৰ হেৰিটো লৈ ল 1997 ন? Yes,
My lord, this is matter to retirement benefits, my lord. I retired on 31/10/2021.
as
My lord, as a junior assistant
from which department?
at Karimganj Municipal Board and in the district of Karimganj.
Municipal board will take Mr. Nayak.
No, your lordship, notice may go because they will engage some petitions.
Municipal board.
In some other matters, your lordship, Mr. Datta or
No, जब Datta appears for Silchar. Okay. Third, Sri H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-payment of retirement benefits. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner had retired from service on 31/10/2021 as junior assistant from the office of the Karimganj municipality. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable. Yeah, I'll go to date diba. Mr. Bora, you are there?
I appear for one.
No, DP Bora. Well, our earlier case will give a returnable date. It's a Mr. Is it there? Pathak, you Pathak? Not there. 4 weeks. At the date date. Yes, interim order. List on. Oh, date delay. List on 4 weeks. This one. Kiman. Azi kiman. 9th. 1, 2, 3. List on 5th. 6th of September. ঠিক আছে 6 September আগৰটো এইটো থব হেৰি কি ক'লো এইটো নোটিছ দিলো ন returnable by 4 weeks. Sri DP Bora, Sri D Bora, London State Council accepts notice on behalf of 1
and 3.
1 and 3. Finance anybody? Mr. Borpujari. R Borpujari finance 2, huh?
For R2,
R2. Extra copies within 3 working days. Steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 be taken by registered post with AD. Steps within 3 working days. Steps to last one একবার এটা লিখিবা দুবার লিখিব না লাগে last steps within 3 working days.
May it please your lordship.
Item number
Lordship, here the petitioner is currently, he has been
Yes.
imposed with a major penalty and he has been sent to compulsory retirement. Kindly peruse to
you are
page nu-
challenging
yes,
compulsory.
challenging the compulsory retirement.
Which
That is,
department?
ONGC, he is working as a senior material management officer in the Assam ONGC, Chipsagi. Kindly peruse to page number 88. That is the
No, will issue notice at this stage.
lordship. At this stage, kindly notice be issued, and at the same time, in the interim debt order dated 9/4/2024, that assailing that compulsory retirement, the memorandum, we are challenging that because of the fact that now the proceeding which was initiated against him, the criminal proceeding, there he has been acquitted. That is the reason why now he has appealed to the appellate authority. He has already appealed, and his appeal has not yet been answered. Maybe because of the fact that the proceeding was going on. Now, this particular proceeding has been, in that proceeding, he has been acquitted. That is page number, the
Okay,
annexure N, annexure N.
We'll make an observation.
Eh,
In the meantime, they can
Yes,
go
in
ahead.
the meantime, the petitioner do not want any benefit. Just he wants to continue. Because now, since he has been acquitted of
No,
all the
that,
charges.
that acquittal is not an automatic reinstatement in service. That is from the criminal charge.
Yes, yes, my lord. So,
How does it, how do you get reinstatement?
my lord, just to, the fact is that since that particular,
Mr. Mehdi, this is not the law. Criminal case in a different footing.
my lord,
You are here against an order of penalty in a disciplinary proceeding. Your acquittal in criminal case may
Yes.
not have a bearing, material bearing. May not have, we do not know.
yes, yes, my lord, absolutely.
We-
My lord is absolutely correct. My lord is
Heard
absolutely
Sri
correct.
W.R. Mehdi, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is
An
aggr-
observation, lord.
who is aggrieved by an order dated
09.
9/4/2024, as per which he has been imposed the penalty of compulsory retirement. Full stop. The petitioner has preferred an appeal on 10/5/2024 before the appellate authority, which is yet to be finalized, which is yet to be considered. Full stop.
Yes.
It is also submitted that in the connected Sibsagar PS case number 1176 of 2021, under section 380 of of the IPC, the petitioner has been acquitted, and this matter has been informed to the appellate authority. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. ONGC, let steps be taken. Union of India, I think, Union of India. You are, Ms. S. Barua, learned CGC, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Service upon the respondent numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 be taken by registered post with AD. Steps within 3 days. Pendency shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the appeal said to have been filed on 10/4/2024.
10/5.
10/5.
10/5/2020. Obliged, sir.
May I please, Lord? This petition is for the arrears salary, my lord, accumulated during the period of my suspension, my lord. I was placed under suspension, page 14, my lord. Thereafter, on 16/1/2006, my lord.
When were you suspended?
16/1/2006, my lord.
2006.
2006, my lord.
And reinstated?
Reinstated, my lord, will find at page 22, my lord.
Which date?
27/9/2019, my lord.
27/9.
2019, my lord. Because of the pendency of the criminal case, my lord. My
And
lord,
after your reinstatement, you were still in service.
I have retired, my lord, on 31/3/2018, my lord.
After your retirement, you have been reinstated.
My lord,
If you have retired in 31/3/2018, how could you be reinstated in 2019?
not reinstated, my lord. I have retired from service on 2018, my lord.
No, we
At
had
post-
asked when were you reinstated in service?
Not reinstated, my lord.
Then?
Page 19, my lord, can
No, you said page 22, 27/9/2019, you were reinstated.
not reinstated, my lord,
Then?
for the salary, for the benefit, the salary accumulated during the time, that needs to be released, my lord, as per the order of 22, my lord, page. After
22.
retirement, my lord.
22, what is there?
Last paragraph, my lord,
Yes.
order.
Good. Comprehensive salary. Yes,
And thereafter,
Inspector of Schools. Bench 2.
Ye-
Go before the appropriate bench, okay? This matter pertains to civil bench 2. List before the appropriate bench.
oblige, my lord.
There is an order. You can, I think that order is there, Mr. You take instructions otherwise also.
Yes, my lord.
Obligement.
Lordship may kindly pass over the matter for the timing, your lordship. Our Mazumdar is on leg, your lordship.
Time being, let us see, okay. Item 8, yes.
May, Lordship, matter regarding appointment of Gaon Pradhan, Lordship. Lordship, interview was held on 1st February 2023, Lordship. And thereafter, the select list was published on 9 to 2023.
Just a minute. Interview when?
Of 1st February 2023.
1 to 23 interview.
Yes, Lordship. Then select list published on 9 to 2024, Lordship.
9 to 24 select list.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, 24, Lordship.
Yes.
But till date, he has not been appointed, Lordship.
You are in the select list.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, 24, Lordship.
What is your serial number?
13, Lordship.
13.
13.
Which, under which charge you are appointed?
Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Borbala lot.
Which district?
Yes, 24, chair number
District,
30.
district?
District Nalbari.
Okay. Yes,
So Lordship, let me get
Ah.
it.
heard 3S along, learned counsel for the petitioner who claims to be an aspirant in a recruitment process for the post of Gaon Pradhan initiated via the advertisement dated 26/5/2022. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner was duly selected on 9/7/2024, in spite of which he has not been given the appointment. Para, that notice be issued, returnable on on 2nd of September 2024. Sri D. Bora on a revenue. Sri J. Handik, learned standing counsel revenue,
For Asana one,
accepts notice on behalf of Asuna 1,
five,
1 and 5.
five, I
Five
also.
director, 1 and 5. D. Bora State Council, 2, 3, and 4. Extra copies, 3 working days.
The appendice name may not be a part.
Let us see. You come up with instructions.
Lordship, select list dated 9 to 2024.
Oh, 9 to have said.
Okay.
Item 9.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I am challenging an impugn order which your lordship may find to be full of self-contradiction. Order, I think I will have to narrate the facts, and I'm sure your lordship will not take more than 3-4 minutes. My lord, a petitioner, a diploma in engineering, was put on job training by the Directorate of Technical Education in the Pollution Board in 2006. I was put there. Initially 1 year training. After that, my lord, I was retained by the board, engaged in projects at Tezpur, and without break from time to time, yearly extension was given. They kept on appointing my lord the petitioner against fixed pay. Now, my lord, what happened? This post, a few posts of what is called technical assistant grade 2 in the board were lying vacant for quite some time. Under the relevant service regulation, these are 100% promotional posts to be filled in by persons serving in the next below, that is technical grade 3. So that time, my lord, there were no available incumbents serving in the next below post. Therefore, my lord, lordship may have a look at the regulation here. See how this post, it is black page. That is the regulation.
Now, what by 29/7/2024, what has been done?
Then, my lord, as per the service regulation, my lord, post.
No, Mr. Barbara, we have read this. By the impugned resolution of 29/7/2024, you say that you have not been given an opportunity of hearing.
Right.
What resolution has been taken?
My lord, kindly have a look at the
order itself, how contradictory. Page 32.
32.
32.
Yes.
My lord, page 32 is, Lordship may first come to the resolution which the board adopted.
Yes.
Impleadment resolution.
Yes.
That's page 29.
Hmm.
Go to the next page, my lord, 30, I am reading.
Yes.
The order of appointment, my lord, dear lordship, have a look at page 24, how I was appointed and what right, vested right I accrued, my lord, was accrued. Page 24 is the order.
Hmm.
From 2006 to 2017, I was working temporarily, agreed.
Yes.
27 disorder. In the interest of public service, Soma Hazarika, I am Mrs. Soma Hazarika, is hereby appointed as technical assistant grade 2 in the pay band of rupees 14,000 to so-and-so with grade pay of so-and-so per month plus other allowance admissible under the rules which affect. Service, last paragraph. Service
Yes.
is transferable and liable to serve anywhere. Now, Lordship, have a look at this order who issued. It is the member secretary who issued the order.
Yes.
Chairman never issues. The board's decision are always communicated by members.
Correct.
So the moment I was given this great pay and
Hmm.
all other things, my lord, it has given me a vested right. If not any fundamental right. Then, my lord, the board, after a few years, 2017, to
17 you were appointed.
appointed. Then I continued. I
Hmm.
was given great pay, I was given increment, I was given all other
Hmm.
benefits, my lord, and my name was put in the gradation list. These are all admitted facts. Now, page 29, there is a turnaround in their realization. Agenda number, page 29.
Yes.
The member secretary informed the board. Member secretary means the same authority who issued the 2017 order. Now he informs the board that irregularities were there with 3 employees. I am not concerned with other employees. Ms. Soma Hazarika against promotional post. Then it says, government also communicated to the board that since proper procedural appointment was not followed while appointing, Soma Hazarika cannot be regularized. The word is cannot be regularized. And the government further directed to appropriate steps according to look into the matter of irregularities in the appointment made and official responsibility for same to submit. Then, my lord, the next third paragraph. The board, after detailed discussion, unanimously opined that state government has given a very clear-cut view in regards to the appointment of these 3 employees, including me. Their services cannot be regularized. However, considering their conduct and services they have rendered to the board has decided the following. Soma Hazarika, technician, shall discontinue to work as scientific assistant 3, technical assistant, 2017. Allowed to continue in the board as fixed pay employees, 2. 3, the fixed remuneration may be fixed at the present basic pay. Here again, I am giving the basic pay of the time scale with DA admissible with undergo revision whenever pay scale changes based on enhancement of DA and recommendation of pay commission, as is applicable to any regular employee, my lord. Then the names of those employees shall be removed from the gradation list of their respective services and the posts they have been occupying will be considered vacant and efforts will be made to fill up the post either by direct recruitment. This is absolutely not permissible under the regulation. It has to be 100% promotion. That's why, my lord, kindly have a look at the flag regulation. Flag.
No, but you
Now, 4 things.
okay.
You decide to retain us on fixed pay. You don't say in which post you are deciding to. You say you vacate your post. In which post you are allowing me to continue. That is a clear contradiction. You are saying that it may be your post will be filled up by direct recruitment. That is not permissible. That is, my lord, opposed to the rules. And you give the basic pay DA with pay revisional benefits, which are applicable only to regular employees. And I am being asked to vacant. And where do I go? They have not terminated totally from service. Lordship has seen it. So it is a, my lord, topsy-turvy order, my lord, full of contradictions, my lord, cannot be a direct recruitment. And moreover, by now I am overaged to get any government job. After
Okay,
serving
we'll examine. We'll examine. You come up with instructions.
Ah.
Yes, board. Madam will be appearing. Where is Mr. Barua? Is he there? He is not present.
So this was reproduced in the order. Absolutely.
We have seen the order at page 32.
Those board resolutions.
32,
1, 2, 3, 4. So till today I am serving in the occupying the same chair. That is the position. Till they come.
Heard Sri A.C. Barber and Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri M. Smith for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner was appointed as technical assistant, grade 2 in the Pollution Control Board, Assam. Full stop. It is contended that the petitioner was rendering her services diligently and without any blemish. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to certain resolutions taken ex parte by which her service conditions have been adversely affected, including the aspects of discontinuation in the present capacity and to continue as fixed pay employees. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner, having obtained all the necessary qualification and eligibility, which was duly scrutinized
And time scale.
at the time of her appointment in the year 2017, such decision could not have been taken, that too by violation of the principles of natural justice. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on, we give a date,
Any date, Lord.
1, 2, 3,
Let it
on
get-
2nd of September. Miss Forest, yes, Miss R. Gogoi, Leonard, Standing Counsel, Forest Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Miss D. Datta, Leonard Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri S. Barua, Standing Counsel, Pollution Control Board, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 2 and 3. Let extra copies 3 working days. Okay.
My lord, the vacation, my lord, I am working till that, Lord, they will protect me till that. In the meantime.
No, there is no
No,
discontinuation.
till the next date, my lord.
No, there is no discontinuation.
I have not been allotted works. I have not been allotted.
But there is no order to discontinue.
My lord, it is said, my lord.
No, discontinue in your capacity as in the scale pay, but fixed pay
No, but it said vacate.
till the next date fixed.
Till
Till the next date fixed, the petitioner shall not be
required to vacate.
shall not be discontinued from her service.
With respect to my lord, as extent 3, as extent gate 3, my lord.
We'll examine it.
Lordship, must oblige. Come on.
May I your lordship? The petitioner was appointed as a master roll worker in the year 1991, lordship, in the Inland Water Department. And in the year
1991,
1991,
appointed
appointed, lordship.
master roll,
Yes.
IWT.
Yes.
Yes, then what happened?
Then in the year 1996, he was completed his service training and appointed as a boatman, lordship.
Boatman.
Boatman, lordship. And in the year after that, in the year 2005, his job was regularized, lordship.
Regularized.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, then
Then, lordship, he was continued in his job till 2018, lordship. But after this, he was suffering from some disability, lordship.
yes.
And he verbally informed the same to his department, lordship. And in the year 2018, lordship, one notice was issued by the department, lordship, in which his family informed the department about his absence, lordship. And in the year 2022, lordship, the petitioner write one representation to the Joint Director, IWT Assam, Lordship,
Hmm.
for regularization of his job
Regularization, you were regularized in 2005 itself.
for his absence, Lordship, from 2018 to 2022, Lordship.
From 18 to 2022, you did not attend duties.
No, Lordship.
Why?
He's suffering from some disease, Lordship,
What
and he
disease?
was bedridden.
Where have you stated? Where are the medical?
Para 6, Lordship.
Para 6. Yes, please read.
I have submitted the representation, Lordship.
Hmm. Para 6, yes. Please read.
And after that, Lordship,
Para 6, please read. What have you stated? What are the ailment? Where are the medical papers?
one medical paper was page 52, Lordship.
5-2.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly note the year, 2026.
Okay, we'll come to it. Yes. It's 52.
Yes, Lordship.
What is 52? Yes, 52. What is 52?
52.
What is 52?
Medical document, Lordship.
Of which year?
2023.
From 18 to 22, what happened?
Lordship, in his representation, he is submitted about his ailment to the department, Lordship.
No, you have to prima facie satisfy us. This may not be otherwise also conclusive, but at least for a prima facie satisfaction. Where are the documents? What ailment? Where have you stated? Now what has happened? Madam, what is your cause of action? What has happened now?
Lordship, after my representation, the Joint Director asked the Executive Engineer, IWT Department, Jorhat, to submit their one representation to the Joint Director about his job, Lordship. But after receiving the letter from the Executive Engineer, IWT Department, the respondent number 2 neither disposed of the
What is the grievance? Why
Take up page 49.
49?
Yes, Lord.
That is the given.
49?
There is come with later on, my lord. May I submit, my lord?
One, just a minute. 49. 40 of weird.
Prayer person, Lordship, may kindly have a look, page 20. Prayer
Okay.
recovery petitioner.
You applied for VRS in 24. Okay. Yes, madam.
Yes, Lordship, the prayer of the writ petitioner,
Yes.
page 20. Number 1, edit of the nature, amendments and or other appropriate orders, direction shall not be issued commanding the respondent authorities to consider the case of the petitioner, pass appropriate direction to the respondent authorities to finalize the petitioner's voluntary retirement of his acute medical condition, direct respondent authorities pay the sanction amount accrued to the petitioner under the head of the holding EPF unutilized so and so, after further records so and so. And this is his prayer. Then Lordship may kindly have a look, page 38, annex of 5.
38.
38, madam. Annex of 5 is the letter dated 7/6/2018, issued by the Executive Engineer, IWT Division, Dibrugarh, Assam, the petitioner. The Lordship, sorry. Lordship had got it, madam?
Yes, 7-6.
Yes, my lord. Subject regarding unauthorized absent. It is observed that you are found absent from your duty with effect from 21/4/2018 to 25/2018 without prior information to the officer concerned. which is a violation of the office procedure. Therefore, you are hereby directed to explain about your unauthorized absence within 3 days from the issue of this letter. Otherwise, disciplinary action will be initiated against you as per the service conduct rules. Matter may be treated as urgent. After this, nothing has been replied by the petitioner. And in the year
The petitioner-
2022, they have submitted one representation in the year 2022 and saying that he was suffering from specific disease, lordship. And surprisingly, my lord, the medical document which the petitioner have annexed with the petition is in the year of 2023, 12/10/2023.
Now, what has happened to the service of the petitioner? Have you passed
It's a
any?
joint, doctor.
No, did you take any disciplinary action?
That instruction I will get, but
no,
petitioner have to prove that he is under medical treatment, but he has.
Okay. What is your name, madam?
Lordship, may kindly one more submission in the medical documents, the type portion page 50. Conclusion, my lord, Annex 10. They have typed the prescription of the doctor, my lord,
50.
50, Annex 10. Conclusion, they have said that he is suffering from severe illness in a bedridden condition, my lord. But the conclusion of the doctor, my lord, Lordship got it, page 50. Mild degenerative spondylitis changes with degeneration, mild disharmonization at L3, L5, LS level as described. It is very minor, lordship. We all have this kind of disease right now. So my lord may dismiss this petition. They may come.
But
with
for a
appropriate-
boatman lordship, it is not a mild
This
disease
conclusion is
lordship.
here.
For a boatman, this is not a mild disease lordship.
No, but it has been written mild.
Mild. Doctor has written mild. No
But
intervention
madam,
is required in
this
this
was
type of mild.
2023. If you are suffering for 18, at least show us one document of 18.
In 2018 also lordship, the
Where is the
family
document? Okay. What is your name?
A. Hussain,
Heard Miss A. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Put. It is contended that in the year 1991, the petitioner was appointed as a masteral worker in the IWT. Full stop. He was after successfully undergoing the training, he was appointed as a boatman in the year 1996, and the petitioner claims to have his services regularized from 2005. Full stop. It is submitted that from 2018, the petitioner had serious ailments for which he was not able to discharge his duties. Full stop. Accordingly, he had submitted an application for voluntary retirement, which has not been considered. Full stop. Per contra, Miss M.D. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Transport Department has submitted that though the petitioner has contended that he was seriously ill from the year 2018, the medical documents annexed is of the year 2023, which also does not substantiate the claim that the petitioner was suffering from any serious ailment. Full stop. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Ms. Bora, the Learned Standing Council, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whereas the B. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, AG Assam, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 5. Extra copies within 3 working days. Okay. On the next, you get instructions.
Sir.
What you have taken? What step you have
May
taken?
direct the petitioner to produce the medical documents. They may file additional affidavit.
Not required. If it's not done on his own, why should we?
My lord. Obliged, lord.
Item 7.
Yes.
Here the petitioner had participated in a selection proceeding for the post of
CGC.
constable.
CGC. Central Government Council, madam. Yes, what is it?
So, my lord, he participated in the selection process, having
For?
qualified, got the merit marks and everything. Lordship would find it page 69. There was a medical condition on which he has been sought to be rejected. And that lordship would find it page 69. Initially, they had given two conditions: multiple keloid chest and cardiac murmur. On a review, my lord, they said that the keloid is present and the ECG and echo are within normal limits, so the cardiac part goes. Now, he has been declared unfit on keloid over chest present. Keloid is, my lord, when there is a cut mark and sometimes it just bulges out while healing, it leaves a scar. That is also given. Now, my lord, when we went to the expert doctors at page 71,
Okay.
that lordship will find.
Okay, we'll issue notice.
My lord, yes.
Third, Sri R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who was an aspirant in a recruitment process for the post of constable driver
Right.
in the CRPF,
Right.
initiated wide an advertisement dated 15/3/2023.
My lord.
Full stop. It is contended that though the petitioner was duly selected, comma, on a medical ground, comma, he has been held to be ineligible, full stop. It is submitted that such conclusion is not reasonable at all, as there is no, and the same cannot be a reason for depriving him from the appointment, full stop, para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. As Bura for all,
All.
CGC for all the respondents, extra copies 3 working days.
Similar matter in item number 13.
30.
1-3. The motion 1.
CGC.
My lord.
Like GP.
All will retain the same.
Same post, not driver.
Same post.
Driver.
Driver. Only the disease is different. Disease is different.
Disease we have not specified.
I'm deeply obliged.
You serve extra copies.
Which serve? Look, since there is no interim, my lord, if you could fix a early date, my lord. Otherwise,
We have
this
said
will-
what, 4 weeks? One question, 4 weeks. A list on, we'll give a date. 1, 2, 3. We'll have it on 11th of September.
My lord.
11th September.
In any case, you would only be entitled for a remedial leave. Obligement.
You bring some literatures on this. You bring some literatures on this particular ailment.
Yes, ma'am. It's there in their own guidelines.
You also bring how, because of this ailment, one may be held to be ineligible.
They are there in the guidelines on what counts they can read.
Okay.
Okay.
Item 12.
May I please, your lordship? Would the petitioner lordship retired master rule worker lordship, they claim for refixation of basic pay and gratuity in terms of the honorable court's judgment, basically lordship, judgment lordship, it is covered case lordship. I have also already got the similar, in similar case lordship, similar order lordship.
Yes, is it covered by Sanjita?
Sanjita lordship, it is also upheld lordship by.
No, is it covered by Sanjita?
Sanjita, my lord, Sanjita says about my lord that 6 years and not
6 years, yes.
Now, my lord, the reason was that my lord, the master roll worker has to be bought within the purview of 20 years. Now, that is gone. Now, he is claiming, my lord, he is already, my lord, that 6 years deduction is not applicable here. 2005, he has been already regularized. Now, from 2005, he is in service. Prior to that period, he was working. He is now taking that period, my lord. Now, there is a notification, my lord, which says that, my lord, that lordship will find that page 60 of the writ petition. So, under that circumstances, lordship may be pleased to issue notice.
No, but if he is not meeting the 20 years requirement because of the fact that he is serving as a regular employee only from 2005, but he admittedly had served even for period prior to
Prior to
2005.
2005.
That should not be a disqualification. You
So
should have.
that should not be a disqualification, but my lord, the office memorandum says, my lord, it is for, if it is for a sanction vacant post, my lord, then only, my lord, that counting of past services is permissible. Otherwise, if it is not sanction vacant post, then from the date of retirement. From the date of retirement, he is getting, my lord, it is not in dispute. It is not a
Oh,
fact
he
that
is seeking fitment.
fitment, refixation.
Oh,
So for the refixation,
okay.
my
Okay.
lord.
We
there-
thought that
there-
he was not getting the pensionary benefit.
Absolutely, absolutely. There has to be.
Sanjita
determination.
will not be applicable. Sanjita was for those employees who are not even given any
That is why I
pensionary
submitted
benefit.
my, Sanjita is not, per se, my lord, is not
Sanjita is not the case which is
Lordship,
opening of
I have
tax.
already got the order, Lordship.
Hmm.
I have passed it.
What is this? No, those facts are different. Those facts were per se with a claim to have the pensionary benefits, which were denied to them because they had not completed 20 years. We have held that this 20 years should not be restricted only for the regularized period. If you are deducting 6 years, you should not. Well, will the issue notice here?
Lordship may kindly look.
Will you issue notice?
Lordship may kindly look the page 59, Lordship.
No, today we cannot grant you the benefit. You have to give them an opportunity, even if you are successful. Heard Sri C. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, two petitioners,
Two petitioners, my lord.
who by means of this petition are seeking a proper fitment and fitment of the basic pay and other benefits in the pensionary in the pension being paid to them. Full stop. In the pension and gratuity being paid to them. Full stop. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 4 weeks. Irrigation, Mr. Upadhyay and Upadhyay, irrigation.
1, 4 and 5.
1, 4, 5.
Okay.
Barpujari,
I am
2,
for R2, my lord.
2,
Two.
and
Three.
A. Chakraborty, standing council 3. 6, 6, AG Assam. AG Assam. Today none. Who's there, AG Assam? Whose name?
Lordship, the name, the name of estimate,
SK Medhi, standing. Is he there in the court?
my lord. He should be.
Have you seen him in the court? Anyone else there in the court? We have recorded R.K. Talukdar also.
Yes, Arcade Talukdar, that will
Oh,
also.
R.K. Talukdar.
Arcade Talukdar, my lord.
Okay. Extra copies within 3 working days.
I am obliged.
Material, but petitioner is agreed by the impugn order at page 80. He was not selected for the appointment in the CRPF against OBC quota, but subsequently by the impugn order, the authorities state that the OBC, which is listed in the state list of Assam as Newar community from Nepal, Nepali Lordship. So it is not in the central list. So he is not entitled. So Lordship, in the similar case, Lordship, page 91, our court has directed to give the appointment to such.
Okay, we'll issue a short notice. You take instructions.
Or he may bring instruction.
CRPF has to follow the central list. Only.
Okay, okay. Heard Sri A. Tahbil, the learned counsel for the petitioner. First of it is contended that the petitioner had applied in a recruitment process for the post of constable within bracket GD, bracket close, in the CRPF under the OBC category, full stop. The petitioner contends that she belongs to the Newar community, full stop. However, her candidature has been rejected on the ground that such community is not in the central list of OBC category. Full stop, para. let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. 3 KK Parashar learned CGC for
1 to 5, my lord.
1 to 5. WPTBC, madam,
Yes.
Longkumer. You're with Ardhar. Longkumer Ardhar, huh? Respondent was 6. And District Commissioner, Tinsukia, A. Chakraborty, State Council. Extra copies within 3 working days. Yes. Oblige.
Matter relates to the land record assistance. Recruitment of the land record assistant lordship. Page 51 lordship,
What
there
is
are
your-
an advertisement.
Land record assistant.
Assistant lordship in the district of Foreign. Page 51 is a advertisement issued by the respondent authority lordship for filling up the vacancies post in the district of Foreign lordship.
Annex, lordship, those who are annexed in the repetition, it is not visible.
Which page?
Lordship, I kindly just 32 also. This is like that.
32.
32 also, and the last annex are.
I think they have given type copy.
My copy lordship is not real.
I also.
No, I think 31 is the type copy.
32, no.
31 is the type copy of 32.
That is a difference.
Yes, 31 is the type copy, relevant part.
31 type copy.
Type
This
copy
is
is
not
there.
relevant is what kindly see impugned total lordship. This is visible.
54 also.
54, I think there is a type copy also.
54 not type copy lordship, but this is a visible lordship in my copy also.
54. 54, we can tolerate. How is your copy? Okay. Bad photocopy.
I will start lordship. Same impugned total lordship
you-
already challenged before.
You
the
sue the photocopy owner.
I will give.
You have to sue him. Money suit. Causing embarrassment in the court.
One advertisement was issued. lordship.
What is the cause of action? What is your grievance?
Grievance lordship page 54.
Yes.
They have respondent authority lordship by sending the some existing registry employees fill up the vacancy posted lordship. We are the aspirant candidate. There was an advertisement which was cancelled subsequently, but till date without it issuing any advertisement lordship for direct recruitment, they are going to be fill up this post from the existing employment. In this regard, lordship, another repetition also pending.
Land record assistant, how is it to be filled up? By promotion or by advertisement?
Land record by direct recruitment and promotion as well. There is a rule. lordship.
So if it is by promotion, the persons in the lower cadre have been.
Rule says lordship, they are the not qualified for the.
Yes, what do you say,
Right.
Mr.
No,
Dhandhi?
no, this is the internal arrangement of the department. This is not for an appointment. Lord. If the appointment for
For
vacancy,
deputation.
for deputation, they are already been service in the department. They are get 3 employees.
It's not promotion, it's
This is
deputation.
deputation. This is not for a appointment.
After deputation lordship, they are going to be send
Okay.
them to the
They are
training.
not,
lordship.
without advertisement, it cannot be appointed any person, my lord.
Mr.
There is
Hawk,
an
we
advertisement.
don't think you have any case.
In this, these impugned are also challenged by other districts also lordship, which is pending before the honorable court lordship.
And my lord, that training will be started since my lord, that the month of.
Same impugned.
They already been going to be started.
What is this, Mr. Handy?
Lordship,
Just to
lordship,
show.
one lordship.
Okay, we'll issue notice.
Same impugned lordship. Other districts, they have also challenged lordship. which
In
is
that case,
pending.
lordship, we already file our affidavit.
Part 3 ABT Hawk Learned Council for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner claims to be eligible to undergo the recorder's certificate class course training and pursuant to an advertisement on 28/1/2020 had applied for the same. Full stop. Full stop. After in which the petitioner was successful. So however, there is no recruitment for the post of assistant of land record assistants. Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved that by the impugned communication of 28/2/2024 issued by the Director of Land Records, grade 3 employees were to be deputed as land records assistants. Full stop.
Deputed for the my lord training for our.
Full stop. Para. It is also submitted that similar writ petition WPC 1502/2024 on the issue is pending. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 4 weeks. Re J. Handik Learned Standing Council. Revenue Department accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
A. Chakraborty Learned State Council for respondent number 3. Extra copies within 3 working days. List along with WPC 1502 of 2024. Okay. Give extra copies.
16.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner is the constable of SSB, that Saraswat Sima Ball. And he was appointed in the year 2006. And subsequently, while appointed, he was transferred in Chirang district in 2017. And he applied for early one for 31 days from 10/1/2019 to 9/2/2019 to look for, because his mother was
in 19.
19. 10/1/2019 to 9/2/2019. He applied for earned leave because he has to look after his ailing mother who was suffering from cancer.
Okay.
And accordingly, he went to his hometown, Bihar. When he found, when he went there, he said that her mother was shifted to Varanasi. From there to there, that 3 months have passed. So he has to come back this way, that way, Delhi, Bombay, because of shifting. And subsequently, so many, by that time, that the period of earned leave expired.
Yes, Union of India, who is appearing?
Now, what is my condition, my lord? Now, what happened? Huh? Pardon me.
Who is interested?
Someone else maybe.
Thereafter, what happened?
Therefore, my lord, since by the time the earned leave period of earned leave was expired. So, but after that, the department also sent many letter to his hometown address. But since he was not in hometown, so he could not get a letter. So he could not reply. Subsequently, he was dismissed as deserter from services. 76/2019, he was dismissed.
Yes.
By the time also, he didn't know that he was dismissed. But after that, after recovery of mother, when he came to his hometown.
Confirmation notice is claiming for the reinstatement.
No, reinstated already done.
No work, no pay. He's claiming salary for that period. So notice may go at this stage.
You're having the prayer of no work, no pay.
No work, no pay. Because already I have been punished twice, because people have to go through that annexer K, last page 105. The Commandant 15 Battalion SSB Kadalka has
Okay. Heard Sri S. Mitra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner who is working as what? Working as?
Constable.
Constable in the SSB was dismissed from service on 17/6/2019. Full stop. The aforesaid order of dismissal was the subject matter of WPC 3983 of 2021, wherein this court, wide order dated 30/11/2023, had directed the appellate authority to consider and dispose of the appeal. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the appellate authority, wide order dated 31/10/2024, had set aside the order of dismissal. Full stop. Dismissal and had reinstated the petitioner. Full stop. The present petition has been instituted with a claim for interfering with the observation of no work, no pay, and a claim, and full stop, no claim, full stop, para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Shri B. Chakraborty, learned CGC, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies, 3 working days. Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner here is a contractual employee, was a contractual employee of ASMA. And ASMA, Assam State Disbursement Authority, and he was appointed in the year 2017. My lord, the recruitment process was regular, my lord. That is at page 31.
Okay.
Where it's been mentioned that the project officer disaster shall be selected on the basis of selection procedure to be conducted by the Assam State Disaster Management Authority. Thereafter, my lord, he had been serving there. In between, my lord, at page 38, he was asked to take, was deputed into the irrigation department.
You're deputed.
Yes, my lord. As an ASMA, it was a rule that all the 16 employees who have been selected, they will be given posting in one of the major departments. And accordingly, he was given posting in the irrigation department, my lord. And irrigation department was his reporting officer. So, my lord, thereafter, what had happened in 2016, my lord, at Annexure 4, my lord, page 46, my lord, may just come.
Yes. Yes.
Agenda 6, my lord. At bottom, my lord. Service matter of contractual employee of ASMA. SEC approved the proposal of extending the same benefits as received by the regular employee of the state government to the contractual employee of ASMA and directed ASMA to move the finance for concurrence. The benefits are as follows. The service contract for contractual employees who have completed 5 years will be renewed for 10 years. For others who have not completed 5 years, a contract will be on annual renewal basis. Annual increment.
The deputation was which year?
My lord, he joined in 2017, my lord. Now this was of 2016.
Earlier,
my
the
lord.
rules.
Yes. Before he was appointed, this was there. My lord, this was adopted again in 2017.
Okay.
At page Annexure 5, page 55, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, may see, my lord, minutes of the 31st meeting.
Yes. Now what is your grievance?
My lord, what has happened? As per the contract, my lord, there has to be notice has to be given to me prior 15 days before termination. And what had happened in 23rd September 2023, my lord, they had come up with a performance index that the person who is gonna score less than 4 marks, they are gonna be terminated. But my lord, it has to be reviewed by upon the report of the reporting officer. The reporting officer has given me 9. Reporting officer had given me 9. The review officer, the review committee has to be consisted of members. But the review committee who are here, they were not at all the members which has been mentioned in the SEC meeting. And my lord, thereafter, without any advertisement, they appointed the private respondent here. And now, my lord, they have again advertised for one single post. My lord, I'll show the illegality, my lord. My lord, may first come, my lord, if I may take to page 69, my lord. Page 69, Annexure 6, my lord.
No, your contractual employment was for a particular period.
My lord, for 2017, and it has been renewed again and again.
1 year, 1 year.
1 year, 1 year.
Every year it was renewed.
Every year it was renewed.
And you said that in the performance index, the reporting authority gave you 9.
Yes, my lord.
And the reviewing authority had gave you less than 4.
Yes, my lord. That has not been communicated to us. My lord, the reporting officer report I have, my lord.
Okay, Will issue notice at this
My
stage.
lord, there has to be a stay, my lord, because
Already one order was passed on March.
March.
no,
Now
my
what
lord.
they approved, my lord,
No,
in
my lord.
August.
I'll just satisfy, my lord. Just
March, how can you stay in
no,
order?
I understand. Just hear me once, my lord.
Yes.
My lord. My lord may see the private respondent which has been appointed here. He has been appointed without any advertisement, without any. A contractual employee has been replaced by another contractual employee without any advertisement, and now they have coming up with a fresh advertisement, my lord. Again, for that post, my lord, it is there in the records. There has to be only 16 posts. As of today,
if you are successful, you will get the benefit.
my lord.
If you are successful, you will get the benefit.
So, my lord, my lord may pass this order.
How do you gain by stopping somebody from entering? You're concerned about your own discontinuation.
my
That
lord.
was in March.
My lord, I understand, my lord. Thereafter, I gave representation upon representations to the.
March, we cannot stop it.
I understand, my lord. I'm not.
All actions taken will be subject to the outcome. Nothing more.
Yes, yes, my lord. My lord, but the appointment.
Heard Sri S.P. Sharma, Learned Counsel.
My lord, may I
for the-
just pray one thing, my lord? If my lord, please, my. The appointment of respondent number 5 may be subject to the outcome of the.
That is always there.
My
You are
lord.
challenging his appointment. What is the need of such
My lord.
observation? The Heard Sri Spencer Learned Counsel for the petitioner. First off, it is contended that the petitioner was inducted as a contractual employee of the Assam State Disaster Management Authority in the year 2017. Full stop. Though the tenure was for 1 year, comma, it was extended from time to time. Full stop. Learned Counsel has also drawn the attention of this court to the norms as per which such contractual employees were to be deputed to various departments.
Yeah.
Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is against an order dated 12/8/2020, no, 12/8/2023, on the basis of which he was released from his service on 31/3/2024. Full stop. It is submitted that the reviewing authority did not apply, no, reviewing authority without proper application of mind had erroneously given the performance index less than the minimum, leading to the discontinuation. Full stop. The Learned Counsel is also aggrieved by the induction of the respondent, private respondent number 6, which according to the petitioner is without any valid process. Full stop. Para, let notice be issued. Returnable on 6th of September. Mr. Chief Secretary, I think.
One my.
Ardhor 1, disaster management.
Lordship, 2, 3 and 4 I.
2, 3 and 4 J Hendik. Madam Irrigation DS Newg 5. Extra copies within 3 working days. Steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 be taken by registered post with AD within 3 working days.
My lord, the subject to the outcome.
It is needless to mention that all actions taken would be subject to the outcome of this writ petition.
Much obliged, much obliged.
18
May, my lord, the respondent, my lord, as per direction of this honorable court, has issued an order at page number 27, my lord, and complied with the direction, my lord, fully. Thereafter, my lord, on receipt of this order, the director of the department, my lord, has written a proposal for modification of the order of the department, which has been passed by the respondent one in compliance with the direction of this honorable court, my lord. And exactly, my lord,
What
page
is the
number,
restriction?
my lord, page number 28, my lord. Order is given, operative question, my lord.
Yes.
Therefore, in compliance with the judgment.
No, that
passed-
is okay. Now, what is the impugned direction to
Impugn, my lord, that page,
restrain what?
this honorable court directed, my lord, for compulsory retirement with effect from, my lord, date of retirement. And the director, my lord, has given a proposal, impugned proposal for modification of the date of retirement, my lord, from 2011, my lord. That is the impugned, my lord. And the government has also, my lord, passed as per the direction of this honorable court, my lord.
Part 3B forecast to learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner had earlier approached this court by filing WPC 4950 of 2022, which was disposed of on 14/9/2023. Full stop. It is contended that the department, in compliance with the aforesaid direction of this court, had passed an order on 6/5/2024 granting benefits in terms of the said order. Full stop. However, the grievance of the petitioner is with regard to an order dated 10/7/2024 issued by the director.
No, this is issued by the government in compliance of the.
No, 2020 is 10/7.
Yes, it is by the government, my lord, on the basis of the proposal of the director.
Is issued by a subsequent order dated 10/7/2024, whereby the earlier order of 6/5/2024 has been sought to be reviewed to the prejudice of the petitioner. Full stop. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 4 weeks. 3. Social Justice Empowerment. 3. RMDAS Learned Standing Council. Social Justice Empowerment Department accepts notice on 1 and 2. And 3. Principal Government School. Asadhar. Ardhar. 3. Government State Council 3. This is a government school. You can. Accountant General AG. BB Chakraborty. 4. SCAG. Extra copies. 3 working days.
But the impute may be suspended, my lord, if not.
Financial benefit you will get, otherwise also, what is the difficulty?
If it is suspended, my lord, then yes, then it will be proceeded as per earlier order, my lord.
If we have not even decided, we'll decide if you get, otherwise you'll get. There's no question of stay. Yes, next.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this particular writ petition is for recasting of the seniority list, wherein if I may take Your Lordship to the back of the case, Your Lordship, the petitioners here, they are all junior engineers civil, belonging to the 2009 and 2010 batch of inductees in the post of junior engineer. Now,
In which department?
in the board rows of
Border roads.
border rows of
You are junior engineer.
junior engineer civil.
Petitioners.
Now, they were all inducted on the basis of 2 advertisements. One is advertisement 1 of 2009 and the other one is advertisement 2 of 2009. If I may take Your Lordship to page number 48 of the advertisement.
Yes, that's right.
Page number 48 of the writ petition, wherein at clause 7, the whole recruitment process is enumerated. Therein, the selection, if I may read out, clause 7A, the selection is made strictly as per merit on the basis of physical test, written examination, and interview. The first stage, the schedule of recruitment process, the next page is
it encompasses first physical verification of the document, thereafter trade test for certain categories which the petitioners belong, and then thereafter written examination, then interview. On the basis of that selection process, on the basis of merit, next page, at page number 51, Your Lordship, at serial number 15, under the heading miscellaneous information. This merit was the sole criteria for selection. Now, on the basis of this selection process, what they came out, the respondents came out with the select list of separate categories. For SC separate list, ST separate list, general separate list, OBC separate list. And on the basis of that, they came out with the MSL, that is a master seniority list, which is at annexure 9. Now, if I may take your lordship to page number 22 of the writ petition, wherein I have enumerated in a tabular format as to how I am aggrieved by the MSL. Lordship, if your lordship comes to page number 22 of the writ petition. 22.
Yes.
Therein, what they've done is basically they placed the scheduled caste category people above me, even though they have got lesser marks in the recruitment process. And that I have enumerated because they have never disclosed the marks of any of the candidates. And all these marks that I have actually incorporated are basically after inquiring from each and every separate individual. And that's why they have been made as private respondents in a representative capacity. Therein, if your lordship sees, for the serial number 1, Porimal Das, he belongs to the SC category. In the MSL, his serial number is 204, but he got only 55%. Whereas the petitioner, if your next page itself, one of the petitioners, Navajit Deka, he got 75 and he was placed in the MSL at 334. Just like that, all the SC, ST category OBC people were placed above me, and therefore I represented. I represented against this wrongdoing. Now, at page number 325 is the impugn order. That
325.
Yes, 325, annexure 11.
Yes.
There, in the impugn order dated 22nd of May 2023, they have stated that on scrutiny at serial number 3, on scrutiny of the merit list for advertisement number 2 of 2009, it is noticed that a trade test, TT, date in respect of reserve candidates with MSL number so and so, whereas the TT date in respect of unreserved candidate is 8 February. Just basically the date of trade test was that considered to be the sole criteria, and that they had based upon one OM of the DOPT, wherein DOPT OM and annex next page itself at page number 326 at serial number 2.1, the basis of this particular decision, they have stated that the relative seniority, if I may just read out that particular, the relative seniority of all direct recruits is determined by the order of merit in which they are selected for such appointment on the recommendation of UPSC or other selecting authority. Persons appointed as a result of an earlier selection process would be considered as senior to those in a subsequent selection. This is not a subsequent selection. This is all part of same advertisement. Just that the trade test for scheduled category, scheduled caste and reserve category candidates were held one day prior to the general category candidates. Therefore, they had been placed above the general category candidate, even though they got lesser marks. Now, as a fallout of this fallacious MSL, the master seniority list, what has happened, Your Lordship? The respondents, now they are trying to promote the candidates belonging to those faulty MSL. On the basis, if Your Lordship goes to page number 331, that is one of the earlier promotion course order, special course order, wherein this special course is conducted prior to being promoted to the next higher post of assistant engineer civil. Now, if Your Lordship goes to the list, more specifically at page number 334, under the heading nominal role of JE Civil for special course conducting during the year 2020-24. All these posts are filled up by people from SC category. Next page, Your Lordship, that is important, Your Lordship. I'd just like to point out, next page at the bottom, under the heading summary, as per roster, 23 posts are earmarked for unreserved. SC5 post and to SC2 post. Since there was no SC, therefore SC posts were not considered. Here, out of all these 23 posts under roster, what has happened? All of them are filled up by SC because of this faulty MSL. Thereafter represented, your lordship, but they didn't reply. In fact, they came out with another list. Another list is at page number 343 on 31st May 2024. Now, nobody has been so far promoted. Now, if I may take your lordship to this faulty at page number 344, as a result of this faulty MSL, on all the incumbents your lordship will see are SC, SC, ST. Everybody is SC. Even though the post, as per the summary, 25 posts are earmarked for unreserved category. So now, after clearing this particular course, DPC will be held. I don't know when the DPC will be held. That course is not yet over. After this course is over, DPC will be held and they will be promoted.
Yes, Mr. Chakraborty.
If you notice that this is, let me take the section. So the
No, what,
reason that doesn't.
Regional 325, that only because the TT date was on a,
That
it is ultimately the casting in the merit list, which will govern the seniority. That is the universal principle
or there may,
in all
if they have
service.
any other better reason, let me take this section out. At least with this reason, the lordship doesn't.
I just have a one simple interim prayer, your lordship. No promotion can be affected on the basis of this faulty M.
Lordship, let me
Till
take
the
this section.
disposal.
I don't think so. They are going to first. They have to held the DPC thereafter only.
DPC is not, this say, list is of May 2024.
May 20.
You take instructions, what is the progress of the DPC?
Interim prayer may be kept open, your lordship. Let him take instructions. Okay.
Third, 3R Bora.
D board.
Oh, D Bora, sorry, Learned Counsel. For the petitioners, how many, more than one petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
Petitioners, full stop. The petitioners are serving as junior engineers, civil, in the border road organization.
Yes, my lord.
Border road organization, full stop. It is submitted that the entry into the service was consisting of various aspects, and based upon the final results, the master seniority list is required to be prepared, full stop. However, the contention of the petitioners is that certain candidates who had secured less marks were placed above the petitioners in the master seniority list, and the reason assigned in an which the petitioner has learned from a response made on, what is the date of this? 21/3/2023 is that the TT test was held a few days prior for those candidates. Full stop. It is submitted that TT test, TT being a part of the various aspects which were considered in the recruitment, the same will not have a material bearing. Full stop. In any case, it is submitted that after the TT, there is written examination followed by viva voce, whereafter separate select lists are prepared and are amalgamated in the master seniority list. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued returnable on yes, Mr. Chakraborty, returnable on
4 weeks.
today is 9th, 1, 2, 3, returnable on 6th of September. You'll for 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 5, CGC. extra copies within 3 days. 6 to, these are working with you.
Yes, Your Lordship, 6 to 16, Your Lordship. They are all in beneficiaries of this policy.
Steps upon respondent numbers 6 to 16 be taken by registered post to TD.
Your Lordship, registered post not possible because I don't know the address.
In the
To the department.
in the office address of the department who would full stop, the department would communicate the said respondents about the case, full stop. The prayer for interim order is kept open.
Highly obliged. May it please the Lordship. My Lord, we are on a very limited premises before this honorable court, my Lord. My Lord, at the very outset, my Lord, these petitioners are basically aggrieved by an impugn communication which comes directly in heat with the policy, my Lord, decision taken by the Assam cabinet relating to, my Lord, a VRS, that is voluntary retirement scheme for the employees of Assam State Agricultural Marketing Board, my Lord. Now, this policy of the government, we are not objecting to for VRS because there are around 612 regular employees, amongst which the petitioners are also some of the employees, my Lord. Now, my Lord, the only contentions that we are having is that we are having a very limited years of service in the board, my Lord. We were recruited by following the regular, my Lord, recruitment process by advertisement against a sanctioned post. So, my Lord, in 2015, we were recruited, appointment were given to us, my Lord, and then we were continuing, my Lord. Now, my Lord, the difficulty is, my Lord, the government wants to basically offer VRS, my Lord. We are not objecting to that. In the policy matter, my Lord, in the policy decision, my Lord, there was a scope for redeployment of few employees. Now, this is very important, my Lord. Now, I'll come to that particular cabinet decision, my Lord. There was a scope for redeployment and a proposal was submitted for redeployment of some employees who do not opt for VRS, my Lord. Now, we fall under those categories, my Lord. Now, suddenly, my Lord, that was done, of course, my Lord, at a high-level meeting, which was not informed to us. We are not aggrieved by that. Now, what happens, my Lord? We file an representation. In this representation, my Lord,
the scope for redeployment were for those candidates who would not fall under the VRS.
who would not opt for
Opt
VRS.
for.
VRS. Now, my Lord, we filed a representation seeking clarity, my Lord. Now, that decision was, as was not told to us, we wanted some clarity upon what would be the scope of redeployment, where would be these employees be re-engaged, etc., my Lord. Now, immediately after filing this representation, on the very next day, this impugn communication came.
Page?
Yes, my Lord. At page 106, Your Lordship may kindly come.
106.
106.
Yes, please.
May I just read the notification, my Lord? Dated 23rd of July 2024, my Lord. Pursuant to the approval of the voluntary retirement scheme by the Honorable Cabinet Government held on 10th July, this is what I'm referring to, 2024, wide additional item number such and such, and subsequent communications from Agriculture Department wide letter written such and such dated 11/7, all employees, Your Lordship will mark, my Lord, all employees, regular, contingency, menial, fixed pay under Assam State Agricultural Marketing Board are requested to opt and apply for VRS with effect from 31st/8/2024 in prescribed format. Employees are requested to collect the prescribed format either from ASMB head office or from the respective market regulated committee offices immediately. Then secondly is very important. Employees working in ASMB headquarters shall submit the duly filled up applications to the establishment branch on behalf of the undersigned on or before 12/8/2024, that is Monday, we'll have to file our application for VRS. The employees working in RMC, that is Regulated Market Committee, shall submit duly fill up applications to the concerned secretaries of RMC and same shall be forwarded to the undersigned by the secretaries on or before 12/8. Secretaries concerned will intimate on daily basis regarding the receipt of applications. Incomplete applications as well as applications submitted after the stipulated date will not be accepted for whatever be the reasons thereof. My Lord, at a very rapid speed, they may have some reasons, my Lord, I'm not on that. They want to basically give us VRS. My only contentions we are having now, Lordship may kindly come to the cabinet decision, my Lord. Quickly, my Lord, where
prospect was given for the candidates for my lord, redeployment at page 55, my lord. This is the type copy, my lord. 56 is the original copy. So your lordship may come to 55 or 56, my lord. May I read, my lord? This is the extract of the minutes of the cabinet meeting held on 10/7 at such and such, my lord. Additional item number 5, my lord. Lordship may come to this subject, which is very important. Approval for the proposal of VRS voluntary retirement scheme for regular employees and one-time settlements to gratuity payment to contingency menial of ASMB and redeployment of those who do not opt for VRS in the AFCL is another corporation and the Directorate of Agriculture, my lord. So this proposal for redeployment, like candidates like the petitioners, was clearly mentioned and was approved by the cabinet, my lord. Now, our only anxiety, my lord, is that if we tomorrow file VRS on 12th of 8th, my lord, now the scope of these, my lord, the schemes of things that they are contemplating to impose upon us, my lord, will be totally, my lord, difficult for us to accept later on, my lord. Then they will come before us and say that you have accepted VRS, we will not be redeploying you, etc., my lord. So our, my lord, we have 20 to 25 years of services. If your lordship may kindly come to my appointment letters of some of the petitioners, I would just like to place, my lord.
2015 years in.
Yes, my lord. So this is my humble prayer, my lord. Till, my lord, a clear picture is given to these employees.
Yes, madam.
That I take second. That's it, marketing for starts.
Oh, there's a standing council. Yes.
We had my
NJ Gogoi.
My clerk has went, but the new notification they need to give before the filing authorities for the standing council list. So, man, humbly submit, man, I have inquired myself. The name was not there. Today morning, I was told that Mr. NJ Gogoi is there, my lord. So I'll serve a copy to
You serve a copy, we'll have
Yes,
it
madam.
at 2 o'clock.
My lord, can
Have it at 2 o'clock.
Madam, Mr. Gogoi was there, so he only informed me today morning, my lord.
Serve him at 2
Madam,
o'clock.
today, just now I'll serve it, my lord.
Otherwise, we don't have any problem. You are praying for an interim order.
Yes, madam, I'm praying.
Give him just now.
Just now I'll give. I'm highly obliged, madam. Thank you, obliged.
A to the top of the huh?
Obliged.
Yes.
My lord, petitioner was enrolled in Assam Rifle in the year 2008, my lord. And my
Enrolled
lord,
as a
as a rifleman, my lord,
where?
in 2008,
Where? Which organization?
Assam Rifle, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
And my lord, in the year 2010, my lord, he participated All India Police Boxing Competition, my lord, and he represented the respondent authority.
Yes.
Then, my lord, in the year 2015, my lord, he participated 100 Mountain Brigade with effect from 15 June 2015 to July 2015.
What is this 100 Mountain Brigade?
My lord,
What is this?
this is a course, my lord, mountain warehousing course, my lord. He was sent by the department, my lord.
What do you call it?
Yes, my lord.
What do you call? Mountain?
Mountain warfare course.
Mountain warfare course. Okay.
Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, everything was going normal way, my lord. From 2008 to 2017, my lord, everything. He has got the extraordinary quality also. He represented the department also. In 2017, my lord, what happened? His daughter was, my lord, seriously ill. He has applied for, my lord, leave, my lord. That was not granted to him, my lord.
2017.
17. As her condition was deteriorated, my lord, without leave, my lord, he went home, my lord. And treatment was done, my lord. After that, my lord, he resigned his duty. And because of that, my lord, there is a delay of, my lord, 74 days. For this reason, my lord, he was punished, my lord. He was given rigorous imprisonment, pay, fine, everything, my lord. Then, my lord, and in addition to that, my lord, he was given one rating entry also. That is first rating entry in his life, my lord, 2018. Then, my lord, again in 2018, my lord, March 2018, one incident happened, my lord, when He was in hometown, my lord. He was requested by the colonel that you bring my luggage from Delhi canteen to Nagaland, the place where petitioner was working, my lord. He brought all these things, my lord, at his own expenses, my lord. After that, my lord, when he asked for the expenses, my lord, colonel, my lord, he became very resentment, my lord. He took it personally, my lord. And false allegation was given that you took liquor, my lord. In this way, he was given, my lord, punishment, pay fine, second rating entry, my lord, in the year 2018. My lord, in 2021 October, my lord, his wife was seriously ill, my lord. So that time, my lord, he prayed for leave, my lord. That was not granted, my lord. However, my lord, as the my lord CEO was from his own native village, my lord, emotionally he called him directly, my lord, to grant the leave, my lord. For that reason also, he was punished and given third rating entry, my lord. This way, my lord, from 2017 to 2021, he was given fourth rating entry, my lord. Fourth, my lord. Every time, my lord, without any inquiry, without any, my lord, understanding the circumstances, my lord. And my lord, for that, my lord, lastly, my lord, he was given one so-called notice, my lord. So-called notice annexed on page 19, my lord, on 22 May 2024. And he has replied to that so-called notice saying that, my lord, maybe because of some personal problem, my lord, I may do some wrong, my lord. In near future, I will not repeat such things. As I have crossed, my lord, 16 years of service, let me complete 20 years of service, my lord. Then, my lord, they have not, my lord, heard my prayer, my lord. They have rejected. And, my lord, Annexure 3, page 29, they have passed the impugn order on 5/8/2024. And it was served to me on 7th, my lord, August. And I will be discharged from service, my lord, from Sunday onwards, my lord, from 11th, my lord. So, my lord, my prayer before your lordship, my lord, kindly see the, my lord, impugn order, page 29, my lord. May I read my? My lord, they are saying that I am incorrigible offender, my lord. They have not taken my length of service, gravity of offense, my lord, the circumstances which I have faced, my lord. And they have not followed the rule, my lord. Relevant rules they have to follow before discharge a person. That is Annexure 4, page 30, my lord. I have annexed all the rules, my lord. Even then, my lord, the regulation which they say in the discharge order, my lord, that also I have annexed. Annexure 5, my lord, page 36. The regulation also gives me, my lord, kindly see, my lord, page 35. Page 36, my lord, regulation 108, discharge on ground of rating.
Where is Assam Rifles Act of 2006?
I have that, my lord.
Assam Rifles Act also. No. Sit down. Please read 11.
11, my lord, dismissal, removal, or reduction by Director General and by other officers. The Director General, Additional Director General, or any Inspector General may dismiss.
No, you read the provision which has been mentioned in paragraph 4 of the impugned order of 5/8/2024, 11(1)(2).
That is, my lord, that I am reading, my lord. 11(2), an officer not below the rank of Deputy Inspector General may dismiss or remove from service any person under his command other than an officer or subordinate officer of such rank as may be prescribed. That is 11 to my lord.
Yes, who is appearing? CCC?
My lord, I am relying on an advisory passed by the department based on the Supreme Court decision, my lord. Kindly see the advisory.
Page
Annexure 6, page 38.
38, yes, please.
Based on the Supreme Court judgment, my lord, they have passed that order, and that Supreme Court order is with me, my lord. Page 38, my lord.
Yes, you are equipped with the brief.
No, lordship, it is not allotted to me, but as no one is asking, that is why. My lord, may I submit the Supreme Court judgment?
No, that is okay.
And in Assam Rifle, there is.
You're referring to Virendra Kumar Dubey.
Yes, my lord. Based on this, my lord, this advisory is passed, my lord. And my lord, some similar situated judgment also, my lord, where my lord petitioner was.
Even for
cited.
discharge, you are required to have a show cause as per the advisory following Virendra Kumar Dubey.
And my lord, last annexure, kindly see, my lord, page 44, that person, my lord, who has got 7 rending entry, my lord, then only he was discharged. There is no such mandatory rule, my lord. As soon as he gets the 4, he will be discharged, my lord. And my lord, I have some other example also who have 9, my lord, rating entry.
Now that will not be enough, but we are on the advisory part and
Yes, my lord.
somebody has got some benefit, that will not be. Yes, you give an extra copy to her. We'll have it at 2 o'clock. 38. IF4?
I for impleadment in the contempt taken. The new managing director of AFTC has taken over. So we have submitted a representation informing him about this honorable court's order at page 10.
Okay.
Presentation is at page 10.
Heard Sri G.J. Ahmed, Learned Counsel, for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for impleadment of the incumbent presently holding the post of
Managing Director,
Assam
State Transport.
State Transport Corporation. Full stop. The Learned Counsel has also drawn the attention of this court to the representation submitted on 29/4/2024 to the present incumbent. Full stop. After considering the matter, comma, the instant application is allowed by permitting impleadment of Sri Chinmay Prakash Phukana, the present incumbent holding the post of Managing Director, Assam State Transport Corporation. Full stop. I stand disposed of. In the main contempt, you write. In view of the order passed today in IA. No, this codified order passed today, that is so and so, in IA so and so, has impleaded the following incumbent as respondent number 3. Naam to Didiba or Managing Director Estes. Learned Counsel for the Sri G.J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, is required to file amended cost title, which he would do within a period of a week from today, full stop. The learned counsel is also required to take steps upon the newly implemented respondent number 3.
I'm for the respondent, Lordship.
Which
She'll take-
respondent?
For ASTC.
ASTC is a party here.
Yes, Lordship.
Where?
He will be.
Where?
on- Yeah. The notice may go to his standing counsel.
Madam, if you appear, we don't have any problem, but you have to file wakalatnama on behalf of each of the respondents. This is not against ASTC. Steps by registered posted daily within 3 working days. Notice করলো না? করলো না উপরে? Notice করলো না কি করলো না? তাছাড়া লাস্ট ওখানে কি আছিল? তার আগত নোটিস করলো তো? Notice is also, let notice be issued upon the newly implemented respondent number 3. Steps be taken by registered posted daily within 3 working days. Yes. Yes.
It relates to non-finalization of the pension in favor of the petitioner, Lord. Retired as LDA from Sericulture Department, Lord. And
My lord, everything is done, my lord. I'm just placing here. Now,
When was it done?
my lord, the government has directed the director on 27 June that they have cleared it, my lord. They are the issue with it.
27 June. Okay, but we record
Then-
his submission, give you some time. Give them some time also to finalize.
Lord.
Okay. Heard Sri MP Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Sri Arthur, who was granted time, wide the last order dated 15/7/2024, has submitted that he has received instructions as per which the process is on for redressal of the grievance of the petitioner. Full stop. He has also placed on record the relevant
The first document, my lord.
communications dated 27/6/2024, along with
In the
the-
meantime, we have released some payment document.
and 2 other documents. Full stop. It is also submitted that in the meantime, certain payments have also been released. Full stop. Para list after 6 weeks, so as to enable Sri Dhar, the London State Council, to obtain the updated instructions.
please, Lord.
Now it will be upon AG, my lord. AG.
AG is the party?
Yes.
Sri C. Borua, London Standing Council AG, would also obtain necessary instructions.
Please. But it paid after 6 weeks, 6 weeks.
It's been in the process. Why should we burden?
Lord.
Okay. 22.
Wait, my lord.
Mr. Sharma?
Here, my lord, pension has been sanctioned at a pre-revised, my lord, and they have paid also. And my lord, the revised scale of pension has not been paid. And that I will file an application, let them consider within 2 months, my lord. In the middle, GPF they have not paid.
GPF not paid.
GPF not paid.
GPF. Okay. Sri R.P. Sharma, London Senior Counsel for the petitioner, submits that pension in the pre-revised scale has been released in the meantime.
Yes.
Full stop. He, however, prays for a liberty to file application for payment of pension by giving effect of the revision of fee.
Yes.
Full stop. He has also submitted that the GPF amount has not been released. Full stop. Para. While while granting, also had Sri D. Bhattacharya, learned Standing Council AG Assam,
My lord.
and Sri D. Upamanyu, learned Standing Council Health Department, full stop para. While liberty is granted to the petitioner to claim pension at the revised scale, comma, learned standing council for the AG Assam as well as the health department would obtain instructions on the aspect of the GPF list after 4 weeks. And Mr. Sharon?
And the last occasion, my lord,
Affidavit filed.
there is no file.
My lord, I think without that also your lordship can dispose it of. Point involved is very important.
What is the point?
Lord, your lordship will find the chart was that he was a development officer of the insurance company. He collected the premium in cash. He did not deposit in the account of the insurance company. And my lord, the same day he cancelled the policy without taking the permission of the branch manager. And after a few months, my lord, and he did not take back the original policy from the insured. And then, my lord, on 16/5/2009, the vehicle met with an accident. And because of that policy, although it was cancelled, we had to pay it because the insurance policy was with him. Now, ultimately, my lord, disciplinary proceeding was proceeded with, and he found guilty, and the punishment of removal was imposed. Now, thereafter, my lord, he filed a representation before the authority that was rejected. And my lord, he came before this honorable court.
Earlier?
My lord. And this honorable court passed an order that his representation may be looked in and to be disposed in accordance with the law. Now, after that, my lord, he filed another memorial because there is a provision in the rule that they can file a statutory memorial before the CM, that is chairman and the managing director. Now, the chairman and managing director, after getting the order of this honorable court, he revised the punishment, and from the removal, it has been reduced down to 5 stages of basic pay was reduced permanent. Now, he was satisfied to that extent also. Now, after that, what happened, my lord, he came once again against that particular order of the same, saying that, my lord, for the period when he was removed till the date of reinstatement, he is entitled to get back wage. It was disposed of by the CMD, saying that he were not exonerated at all. The misconduct remains, it was never obliterated. So therefore, for that particular period, you are not entitled to get anything. That was rejected against that particular order there for you. Lord, my submission would be that, Lord, if misconduct remains, Lord, can he blame for that period from the removal to the date of the reinstatement? That is the question involved, my lord. And I think, my lord, the law is very clear that for that particular period, since misconduct was there, he is not entitled to get it. That is a very short point, my lord.
What was the period, Mr. Sharma, from the date of removal to?
My lord,
What is the period?
My lord, memorial was filed on, my lord, 2014, my lord. And my
Not
lord,
from removal to your reinstatement with the modified penalty, how much is the period?
Period from 3/7/2013 was the removal.
And
he's claiming from 3/7/2013 to 26/12/2018.
5 years.
And my lord, memorial was filed by 2014, my lord, and it was pending for 4.5 years, my lord, without disposal, my lord. Then, my lord, when we had approached this honorable court, my lord, and this honorable court directed to dispose of it within the period of 1 month, my lord. Then only, my lord, that memorial was disposed of, and my lord, it was revised, my lord, that punishment was revised. So, my lord, regarding, my lord, that 4 years, my lord, not that, my lord, it is pending for 4 years without any, my lord, case, my lord.
No, but if the disciplinary authority would have dismissed your appeal, then what would have happened? There was no compulsion on the disciplinary authority to impose any other penalty, he could have very straight away rejected.
Yes,
Your
my lord.
memorial could have been rejected. That was one of the possibilities.
My lord.
But he took a decision that instead of this punishment, he'll be giving this punishment, which will entail your instatement.
My lord.
Now, for this period,
My lord, that my lord.
misconduct is there.
My lord, but my lord.
And because why you are saying this, because what what we have heard from Mr. Dotto, we have not heard you. The ultimate penalty is not the subject matter of any challenge till now. You have accepted that.
Yes.
Having accepted that, that means it is established that the charges were proved. And there is no challenge.
My lord, in that order, my lord, that the CMT has well observed that no malafide intention was there. Then my lord, no financial loss. But my lord, only that part is there, the only negligence. So my lord, otherwise, my lord,
So why we are not on the financial loss aspect? What is your integrity in discharge of your duties?
But all that CMT has already observed that no malafide intention is there.
Let us see where, which page?
Page 97, my lord.
97. Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Please.
I have gone through the facts of the case. I observed that no permission was obtained from the branch manager so before cancellation of the policy on the same day, and he did not get back the original policy after cancellation of so. Heavy workload cannot be a proper defense. The confession of Mr. Saha ensured before police authorities confirmed that Mr. Saha had intentionally taken the original policy with intention to
Defraud the company.
Yes,
What more is required?
Hence, this is a clear case of gross negligence on the part of.
Well, how do you reconcile this line along with the no malafide intention?
No,
However, no malafide
intention on the part of Mr. Bora is seen since the insured admitted before the police authorities that he had not intentionally taken original policy with intention to defraud the company. Further, I find from the record that no financial loss has been caused to the company in two MSCT cases. In such factors, I am the opinion that penalty of removal from service appears to be disproportionate to the gravity of misconduct and the other parts. Hence, on overall consideration of all the facts and circumstances, I hereby revise the penalty from removal from service to death of reduction in the basic salary of 6 days permanently in terms of also and so to meet the end of justice. It is directed that further liability, if any, sustained on the company on account of it to MSC cases, the same shall be recovered from penalty.
We'll have this for hearing. Well, because we are not very inclined to accept you try to convince us on a hearing day.
Okay, maybe.
If there are any decisions. But you said it will not file any affidavit.
Look, on this point, the legal position is very clear.
Okay. Heard Sri A.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Do Sri S. Datta, learned senior counsel for the respondents, had prayed for time to file affidavit in opposition, comma. He submits that considering the subject matter involved, which would revolve around a point of law, such affidavit in opposition may not be necessary. Para. Considering the above and also the subject matter, list for admission hearing we'll have it on 5th of September. Is it okay?
Yes.
Thursday.
Lovely.
Item 24 and 25.
May
Yes.
please, your lordship, the department has not furnished the affidavit in opposition.
It is a bench to matter, whether your lordship would like to take up matter.
Education matter.
Education matter.
We'll go before the appropriate bench. It is submitted that this matter pertains to, who is taking up part, bench to.
Court number
Code number 2.
Oh, that's very good. It's submitted that this matter pertains to civil bench to, registry to place this matter before the appropriate bench.
oblige.
The date may be fixed, lordship.
That it'll difficult, they'll do it. I for what, madam?
Impleadment of party, lord.
Okay.
Item 26.
Mr. Chaudhary, what is this?
May please your lordship. Well, this is regarding claim for promotion. The petitioner, two in number, they are junior engineers in the my lord water resource department, and they had obtained the AIME certificate from the Institute of Engineers Civil, Ludhiana. And my lord, there was a process of selection. They were selected in 2017 for promotion. The list was approved by the department. It was also approved by the my lord APSC. And in spite of all this, my lord, the respondent authorities have not promoted them, taking some specious grounds and different grounds at different point of time. Initially, my lord, they had in their affidavit, there are two affidavits filed by the respondent number 2. Initially, the plea was taken regarding the Orissa lift irrigation case. Then, my lord, it was shown that is with regard to the deemed universities, and it has no application with the professional bodies like my lord Institute of Civil Engineers. Now, in the my lord last affidavit that has been filed, they have taken the ground that no objection certificate has not been obtained from the authorities while going for that course. No
While
objection
going for a degree.
for that course. This is the ground taken. Earlier, my lord, the petitioners, some other persons also, my lord, they approached this honorable court. And my lord, so far as the eligibility is concerned, my lord, that has been settled, that they are eligible. Now, my lord, the only question that remains, that is, my lord, they have to satisfy this honorable court as to why, my lord, whether, my lord, that NOC certificate has been obtained or not, and whether it is a distance education course. These are the, my lord, two grounds now they have taken. So far as distance education is concerned, my lord, this has been established, it is not a distance education course, also from the documents. Now, only question remains, my lord, whether they had taken permission for, my lord, pursuing the course of AMI, because they were junior engineers, my lord, diploma engineers. For that, my lord, may I take your lordship?
Is it a distance education course?
It is not a distance education. That has also been clarified by the institute. I'll take your lordship to the relevant document. In fact, my lord, the other day your lordship has passed a judgment in Dhiren Bharali's case.
Yes.
Somehow, my lord, this is also, my lord.
But that was not the issue. Where there, Ludhiana University was not the issue. They had accepted that Ludhiana. They had some doubts,
yes,
but they had clarified that that is not come in between the consideration. But there was delay in considering.
True, my lord. My submission before lordship.
You have also obtained the degree from the same Ludhiana University.
Yes, and the
now your contention is that in spite of being selected in the year 2017, you have not been given the benefit of promotion to a assistant engineer.
Yes, my lord.
You're still now junior engineers.
Yes.
Mr. Sharma.
In this matter, Mr. RM Das will this court, honorable court, the petition takes for matter may be passed for a time.
We can try in the second half if you're here.
Right.
We have fixed two matters, but thereafter we'll have your matter.
Right.
No? Motion. Well, there are two motions. After that, we'll take up your matter.
I'm all right.
My lord, in this case, just now my learned friend has made a request that Buddha Gogo is having some difficulty.
Okay.
Today, I don't have any objection to that. Only thing is, my lord, they will have to produce the selection records.
What is the matter?
The matter relates to recruitment of grade 4 grade 3-4 laboratory technicians in the Tezpur Medical College. Now, my lord, in the advertisement, there is no criteria. In the affidavit, they have taken 2 steps. In the same paragraph, they say we have made the selection as per the advertisement. And at the same time, they also say, my lord, that we have taken oral interview was taken, general bearing 20 mark, and my lord, the other component 20 mark. So it can't be like that. At that point of time, when the recruitment was made, there was no rule. So, my lord, at least on what basis you have made the selection, that must be known to the honorable court. So therefore, not those records, selection record. How the selection was made. End of the day, the money will go from the consolidated fund of the state. I was shocked to see, my lord, how these recruitments are done. There is no criteria, no nothing, no written test. Government of India, Government of Assam both have said for recruitment to grade 4, they have given up this interview with. So therefore, let them have, we don't object to that, but the record must be brought.
While Sri K.N. Chaudhary runs senior counsel for the petitioners, assisted by Sri P.K. Deka is present, a prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, full stop para. Matter accordingly stands adjourned to
22nd,
22nd of August.
Yes.
22nd of August 2024. Para. Sri D. Upamanyu, representing the department, is, however, directed to produce the records of this election.
Yes.
To produce the minutes, records of the selection, more particularly the minutes
of the
containing
selection.
The mode as to how the selection was done.
Yes. Diploma.
এইখন কাগজ আগৰ ফাইলটো থৈ দিবা MK চৌধুৰীত
Earlier, the government has took time to file the petition opposition matter. Okay.
Though I have not received any instruction, Lordship, but the petitioner did not have the requisite qualification, Lordship.
You file the affidavit?
Yes, Lordship, I'll file.
Let them file the affidavit. Okay. Heard Sri Nur Muhammad, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri Dupa, on the prayer of Sri D. Upamanyu, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, matter is adjourned by further 3 weeks to file affidavit in opposition. File it, 23 matter.
Yes.
Yes, next. 41, yes.
Yeah, Lordship, I think it's a lack, Your Lordship. Meantime, I will fix it too, Your Lord.
Who is the senior?
M. Chaudhary, Your Lordship.
Who is for the department? Panchayat department, Panchayat Rural Development. Panchayat. Affidavit filed, not yet filed. Okay. We'll have after some at 2 o'clock.
Yes, obliged, Your Lord.
In this case, I have received the instructions and I'll file an affidavit.
Okay. Sri G. Pegular CGC submits that instructions have been received. Full stop. He prays for and is granted 4 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Next one.
My lord, affidavit filed, my lord, non-communication of SCR, maybe disposed of. Lordship, I'm not appearing in this case. SK Mehta, he is not in station today. So Mehta may kindly be.
Will dispose in his presence?
Yes, no.
Okay. Do Miss Asbora, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, comma. It is submitted that Sri SK Methi, the concerned CGC is out of station, full stop para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday next. Wednesday, Miss Sharma, he'll be there or not?
Lordship, please.
If he's not there, somebody else
Yes, Lord.
take charge because this matters we have taken care.
My lord, in this case matter, respondent number 3 filed objection, my lord. At least 1 week time granted us to file all.
He'll file rejoinder?
Yeah.
Okay. On the prayer of Sri A.M. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to file rejoinder affidavit.
My lord, it's a long.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Okay.
2 weeks. But file it.
Yeah.
On your prayer, we have reduced the period, but file it, ensure that it's filed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost complete.
I think 46 and 47.
Cooperation. Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Square, standing on 4% development.
Affidavit filed.
Yes, Your Lordship, regarding the method reductive hormone 46 item, we have already filed affidavit on behalf of respondent number 2, Your Lord.
Yes.
And
Some time may be granted.
You'll file rejoinder affidavit.
Ah.
And what about the other matter?
Your
Ajay Bushra?
Your Lordship, regarding the other matter, it is taken up by the other standing council of the.
Who's there? Affidavit not filed. Yes, Mr. Goswami, are you appearing for the next matter?
Right.
47, yes. Affidavit,
My lord, it's a FCA matter.
FCI.
FCA, my lord. Both, it's about PDS.
Okay, anybody appearing for FCI 47?
No, government,
FCI,
not FCA, my lord, for food distribution.
oh,
Food and civil-
oh,
food
food
and
and
civil
civil
supplies.
supplies. Okay, yes, we'll file affidavit in and item number, how are you connected? Are these connected?
Well, there is no society. Society is keeping. food and civil-
Now, first one, is it connected? In first you write, on the prayer of, what is your name?
Is Islam.
On the prayer of Sri H. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit. And in 47 you write, on the prayer of Sri A. Chakraborty, learned state council, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Right. Okay.
My lord, may it please, the lordship.
Yes,
My lord, my learned friend was here right now, my lord.
Mr. Gogoi.
Mr. NJ Gogoi, my lord. Apologies, my lord. My lord, there was some miscommunication in the filing. system.
Doesn't matter.
Apologies, my lord.
এসিটো বন্ধ করে দিয়া এসিটো বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছি পিছত দিব
আমার
Yes.
Fix it on Monday, I will take everybody's instruction.
When are you taking the decision?
On 12th of August is Monday, my lord. We have been compelled to file our applications. My lord, I have no my objections to it. He can bring, my lord. Till then, some protection may be given by way of not coercing us.
Okay, okay. You take instructions on Monday.
On Monday.
Okay,
Monday will be difficult for me, my lord. I will my out of station till 17th, my lord. I have matters in Aizol, my lord. So kindly, my lord, may accommodate.
Any day, lost, next day, any day.
tell us which date.
18th, 18th, 19th.
18th, 19th we can have, 19th.
19th, my lord, will be.
19th. Hearts Sri H. Buragohai, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. 3 NJ Gogoi,
4, 5, and 6.
Learned Standing Council. Assam State Agriculture Marketing Board submits that he may be allowed to. And that there submits that he would obtain instructions. Full stop. As the matter. List this matter on request. No, release this matter on request, list this matter for motion on 19 August 2024. Status quo with regard to the services of the petitioner be maintained till the next date fixed. Full stop. This how it is, however, made clear that this order of status quo would be reconsidered on the next date fixed.
Only the petitioner.
Only petitioner.
Only
Status
petitioner.
quo with regard to service of the petitioners.
Only petitioner.
Status quo with regard to the services of the petitioners. No, we are not we issuing notice of this.
Name may be shown the call.
Okay. The name of Sri N.J. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council be reflected in the cause list.
Malord, may I just remember, they may put some coercive, may not.
Will not take any consideration.
Yes.
Talk with the
That may not be.
Maybe while communicating the cabinet decision, there is some misunderstanding.
Yes.
Otherwise, the option of having redeployment.
That was the subject matter of the redeployment, not the cabinet. They did not decide the redeployment issue. That is the
No, it is approved.
It is approved, it's already decided.
See, in fact, we also thought like that. See the language. It is approved.
It is approved. The proposal was approved, Malord.
Proposal.
Approval.
Approval was given, Malord.
And why show we are saying the next line is on a different subject
Completely
altogether.
different, Malord. Correct, Malord.
Approval. Yes.
I'm highly obliged, Malord. Deeply obliged.
66.
Agora আছিল না? 66 motion নেই। Yes.
My lord, in this regard, my lord, I am praying for interim protection, my lord, because no inquiry, nothing, my lord. I am 42 years old, my lord. In the impugned discharge order also, they have not stated why my reply is not satisfactory. No reason is given, my lord. I am relying on this.
Lordship, so-called notice was there, so-called reply was there. Whether Lordship had told that whether any warning was given or not. So those things,
No, before the discharge,
yes, Lord.
was there any proceeding?
That is,
so-called notice.
I have to obtain those instruction I don't have, but so-called reply he has submitted.
Where?
So-called
Yes. Where is the
reply.
so-called notice?
Notice, Lordship, here, so-called notice is at, Annexure 1,
Page?
Page 9.
page 19.
So-called is there, madam.
So-called is there.
Only so-called is there, my lord. I
The
have,
reply is also there.
Reply is also there.
I have given the reply, my lord.
And they
my lord.
considered it found unsatisfactory.
My lord, they have not stated any reason that why it is unsatisfactory. No inquiries given, my lord. No, my lord, medical report is there. As per law, my lord, I am entitled to a fair and impartial inquiry, my lord. I have annexed the rule
This is a
also.
discharge order. So-called one.
Yes, my lord.
When Annexure 1
Before
and 2,
discharging, you not only, but.
And my lord, advisory also kindly see annexure 6, page 38, my lord. And I am relying.
How do you overcome page 38, madam? The requirements of page 38. Because this advisory came after Virendra Kumar Dole, the Dubey judgment.
Lordship.
That apart from there being a show cause proceeding, you have to have some kind of an inquiry also. Here there is no inquiry.
So whether the facts of the case and these are similar or not.
No, it's not a question of facts. It's a question of the principle laid down. Come to the advisory number A, 2A. Before discharging an individual,
Lordship.
not only there should be a show cause notice, but an inquiry. Here it is not in dispute that there was a discharge order. There is a show cause notice, a reply, thereafter no inquiry.
in one judgment, my learned colleague is we are relying, but in that case, possibly so-called reply was also not there. But here he had submitted his reply.
No, the advisory as
That's why,
per,
whether
as
it
per
is-
Virendra Kumar Dubey,
Yes.
says that not only a show cause, an inquiry is necessary. Okay, you will get the instructions, we'll issue a short
Yes,
notice.
sir.
Heard Ms. S. Bora, learned counsel for the Hey, here he comes now. Second, here is it. Second green Nila to song. Here it. Can I get it? কি লিখছে এটা? Sure. You got it? Madam, how have you filled up the wakalatnama?
Huh?
How have you filled up the wakalatnama?
Let me see.
See the wakalatnama. Signatures are there, but see the names. Enter
My lord,
different.
my lord, this is the mistake of the clerk, my lord.
What is this? See here.
I have signed, my
See in
lord.
the cost title here, in the form which you have filled up.
Maybe, my lord, he is confused, my lord.
Even here.
Lord, I am sorry, my sign is there, my lord.
No,
but
with signatures we have seen, but your
the
name is not
clerk
there.
the same clerk is doing his work also, my lord. That's why maybe some confusion. That's what.
Okay. No. For Ms. S. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an order dated 5/8/2024 by which the petitioner who was working, who was serving as rifleman within bracket general duty with the Assam Rifles has been discharged. Full stop. It is it is submitted that such course of action is required to be preceded not only by issuance of a show cause notice and seeking the response, but also by an inquiry. Full stop. The learned counsel has also submitted that the antecedents of the petitioner in his service career is laudable, and there are many feats, FEATS, in his name. Full stop. The no. Reliance has also been placed on an advisory dated 15/7/2021 by the Ministry of Home Affairs on the issue of discharge of an individual, as per which an inquiry is contemplated. First of such advisory has been issued in terms of a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Virendra Kumar Dubey versus Union of India. I have to say VVEEREN, V for victory. Para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. B. Sharma, London CGC accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents that extra copies be served upon her during the course of the day. And by within the next 3 working days. Full stop. Para. Ms. Bora prays for an interim order. Para. Considering that the impugned order pertains to a discharge dated 5/8/2024, such interim order would be considered on the next returnable date, depending on the instructions as to whether any inquiry was done prior to the issuance of the said order. We fix a date list on.
My lord, one submission letter.
Yes.
It is effect from 11 August. That I will be out of sir. Kindly see last para impugn order. Is 29 5th August. Para 4, my lord. In exercise of power conferred on me under provisions so and so.
A discharge order difficult to stay. How do you stay a discharge order?
With effect from 11, my lord. So till the next day I may be protected, my lord. Till the instruction comes, my
The
lord.
focus notice is very clear that what will be the outcome if he will not. Those things are clear, Lord.
Said, my lord, then if instruction comes, my lord.
Praise for an interim order, no? No, interim order. It has been submitted that the impugned order would take effect from 11 August 2024. Full stop. A prima facie, the impugned order prima facie reveals that no inquiry was done before issuing the same. Full stop. In view of the above, till the next date fixed, status quo with regard to the service of the petitioner be maintained. Para, list on. On 6th of September, on which date this court will reconsider the interim directions issued based on the instructions received.
Earlier.
Item 26.
Please, your lord.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Das.
This matter needs to be hearing. That is what your lordship will be doing now. I'm sorry, lordship, if you're waiting for me, but I'm sorry.
No, we have not started hearing, but if you're ready, we can do it today, or if you say we can, because one matter we have decided, and those matters are slightly different. That matter will be slightly different.
Yes.
But here, see, you have not the objection regarding Ludhiana University that has been those doubts have been dispelled. Now the degree is not under any cloud.
No, there is lordship, because they have not given the certificate, practical course certificate, which the department is repeatedly asking from them for which institute they have done the practical. Because the degree, the engineering degree, it has to be in theory as well as practical. The petitioners have not given that part, that from which institute they have taken the.
No, Mr. Chaudhary has said that it is not a distance education course. They had gone there and obtained the degree.
Lordship, regarding that, lordship, the petitioners have not taken the consent from the department. They have taken, one of the petitioners had taken the consent, and that too without affecting the day-to-day work of the department. If they have not done the long, means distance education, then the NOC is considered to be not valid, lordship, invalid, because in case of one of the petitioner, it has been given that without affecting the day-to-day work of the department.
How could you obtain a degree without, if it's not a distant education program, without affecting your day-to-day?
That I'll clarify, my lord. That explanation has already been given by the my lord institute.
Yes.
That your lordship will kindly come to page 91.
Yes. We can have this on a hearing day. Because that matter is different. That matter, the promotions were already affected.
Yes, my lord. Only the effect.
They wanted a retrospective effect, because once you held themselves to be, we have also hold like that. That since their entitlement was not in doubt and have indeed given them the promotion, give at least certain dates, and then there was an earlier order.
Yes.
In fact, this was not the issue, whether Ludhiana degree would be applicable or not.
No,
But if one component of the government, one department has recognized the degree, I don't think.
Not only one department, my lord. PWD, then my lord, the irrigation department, then
because in the
all the works department.
Yes, my
yes,
where technical aspect
they
is
have
there.
they have given fresh appointment on the basis of the degree. They have given promotion on the basis of the degree. All these aspects
You have
are
filed
there.
your affidavit otherwise.
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Rao.
we
Okay, we'll have it when, tell us. But come prepared on this aspect.
Yes.
Any day except my lord 12th and 13th August. That is it. Convent is your lord.
Tell us, today is 9th. We can have it on 20th, 20. Is it okay?
Can it go on 22, lordship?
22nd.
Fine.
22nd.
Sure.
Heard Sri M.K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioners, full stop, on the request of Sri R.M. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Water Resource Department, matter is adjourned to 22nd of August 2024. Full stop. Let this matter be listed on the same date for admission hearing.
Sure. My lord, and hand over to dispose.
Oh, we'll remember this.
Deep of
It's a DD operation. Really গরম হয়েছে।
Let me do that.
41, yes. Marks.
Yes.
What do you say?
Lordship thinks by mistake or whatever, they take the ex-serviceman quota, and they're the last person got 63. I mean, here they got 68, but and they were selected on the basis that they were ex-serviceman quota. And if ignoring that also, lordship, if SC, since they are SC category, then also they didn't got the cutoff mark.
SC or OBC, MOBC?
One is OBC, one is SC. One is SC.
Where is SC marks?
Lordship, the first one is
SC, okay. SC.
Cutoff mark.
89, you got 68. And one is 89, you got 85.
I've just come to know. Better if they file an affidavit, my lord.
No, we'll have this on record. We'll close this. Heard Sri M. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the Petitioners. Also heard Sri B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, SLRC, as well as Sri S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel, PNRD Department. Full stop. As per the facts projected, comma, please have your seat.
Yes.
The petitioners who are 2 in numbers had participated in a recruitment for post of grade 4 under various departments of the government of Assam, initiated via an advertisement dated 25/3/2022. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that while the petitioner number 1 belongs to OBC category, comma, the petition number 2 belongs to SC category. Full stop. In the form which had to be filled up for applying for the post in question, comma, it is the case of the petitioners that by inadvertence, comma, they had ticked TICKED in the box meant for ex-servicemen. Full stop. It is the apprehension of the petitioners that since due to such inadvertence, comma, they are deemed to be in the category of ex-servicemen, and their assessment was accordingly done. Full stop. It is contended that if the petitioners are assessed in their respective categories of OBC and SC, comma, they have a fair chance of being selected.
Look, actually, my submission was that, you know, that since they appeared in the interview and before interview, documents were checked, and I filed an affidavit to the effect that I did not belong to the category of ex-servicemen. But accepting that, my lord, I was allowed to sit in the interview. Marks were given, and ultimately final examination was, my lord, my whatever marks I have obtained. Then, my lord, this appointment letter was issued. When I went there to join, then again document verification, they asked for document verification, and it came to their knowledge that I was not possessing the certificate of ex-serviceman. Then my appointment was cancelled.
Okay. আগৰখিনি কি লিখিল লাষ্টৰখিনি? They had participated. নহয়, সেইটো নহ'ব। নহয়, তাৰ ওপৰখিনি কৰ, সেইখিনি নালাগিব, তাৰ ওপৰত। নহয়। As per the representative, it is Sri M. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, have submitted that based on the written examination held on 21/8/2022, comma, they were held to be successful, and they were shortlisted for interview, in which they were to belong. They were required to produce all the original certificates and testimonials for verification. Full stop. Be that as it may, comma, after facing the interview, comma, the petitioners claim to have received the appointment letters dated 25/5, 2023, full stop. However, when they had gone to join their respective post, comma, they were not allowed to join, and they were informed that their appointments were cancelled. Full stop. Para. Sri Chaudhary, M. Chaudhary, Learned Counsels, submits that there being no ambiguity on the category of the petitioners, as they had clarified that marking in the box of ex-serviceman was by inadvertence, comma, cancellation of the appointment already done is not permissible, is not reasonable, and requires interference. Full stop. Para. Per contra, comma, para. This court, on the last occasion, that is 22/7/2024, on noticing the facts and circumstances, had directed Sri B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel of the SLRC, to obtain the necessary instructions. Full stop. Para. Sri B. Chaudhary has accordingly obtained the instructions. Full stop. He has contended that that the marks secured by the petitioners, based upon which the initial appointments were granted, was by treating them as ex-servicemen. Full stop. It is the own contention of the petitioners that such categorization was due to inadvertence. Full stop. He further submits that in the assessment in the respective categories as OBC and SC, comma, the petitioners have obtained marks which is less than the cutoff marks in the respective categories. Full stop. It is specifically submitted that while the petition number 1, who belongs to the OBC category, had secured total marks of 85, comma, the cutoff marks in the said category is 89. Full stop. Similarly, for the petition number 2, comma, the marks obtained by him is 68, whereas the cutoff marks is 89. Full stop. The Learned Standing Counsel has also placed on record the written instructions dated 8/8/2024, along with the marks allotted to the petitioners, including the cutoff marks in their respective categories. Full stop. Para. Sri S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel PNRD, submits that the concerned respondent who had held the examination, being the SLRC, which had already justified the impugned action, comma, he would endorse the submissions made. Full stop. Para. The written instructions along with the connected documents amply make it clear that the initial offer of appointment was by treating the petitioners as petitioners to be under the ex-serviceman category. Full stop. However, comma, the petitioners on their own admission has submitted that due to inadvertence, comma, they had indicated to belong to the ex-serviceman category. which they had also clarified, full stop. The testimonials placed on record would show that the marks obtained by the petitioners are less than the cutoff marks in their respective categories, comma, the details of which have been referred above, full stop para. In view of the above, comma, this court is of the opinion that no relief can be granted to the petitioners in this case. Full stop. Petition is accordingly dismissed. Para. Written instructions dated 8/8/2024, along with the two other documents pertaining to the marks of the petitioners vis-a-vis the cutoff marks are made part of the records. Hey, in photocopy korbo lagbo. You have a copy?
Yes.
You retain this. We need a photocopy. This is marked to you. If you have a photocopy, you can give it. You replace it.
No,
Okay. Yes.
My lord, petitioner is denied promotion because of uncomplicated SCR. They have filed affidavit. They have admitted the fact that it is not communicated.
It can be disposed of. Same order.
Same order. 49 also same.
This is item number
48
48. This is for promotion. And 49.
for third MSCP. Please update.
Item number 48.
8.
This is WPC 584.
Yes, ma'am.
This is for
Promotion.
and item 49.
This is for third MSCP.
695.
Yes, ma'am. Affidavit file.
Our sense is that it's not an adverse entry. That
But not communicated.
not.
Admitted in both the case.
Yes. My lord, whether to judgment is necessary.
We have.
My
Okay. We'll dispose of.
My lord, kindly give your time.
We have granted time, I think, of 45 days or 2 months. I think.
To communicate, Lord.
No, they'll file representation.
Yes.
Yes. Have you got the copy of yesterday's order? Where time has been granted? How much time have we granted? 45 days, okay. Yes. Okay, okay. You are in? Pull it. 48, Miss B. Sharma. And 49, UK Goswami. Okay, disposal. 15.
Yeah, but I have filed an affidavit in reply, madam. That is not on my record, madam.
Yes.
I have filed an affidavit in reply, madam. That was not on record, madam.
You got?
Present, madam, next Wednesday.
When did you file?
Affidavit in reply, madam.
When?
On 5, madam.
On 5th.
5th of.
Okay. You've got copies, Mr. Gogoi?
Probably he has given the
Okay. Sri A. Khonikor, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the affidavit in reply has been filed on 5/8/2024, which however is not with the records. Full stop para. List after a week along with the.
Date may be this is matter, urgent matter. On 16.
What is the matter?
Matter is about appointment of technical assistant, madam. Of Ames, madam.
Urgency?
Urgent matter, my appointment has been hang up, matter, last 6 months, 3 months.
List after a week. along with the affidavit of position, affidavit reply.
Affidavit reply. That may be on the record, man. Deep law.
I'm praying for 1 week time, Lord.
Affidavit they have not filed for 2 to 3 days, my lord.
I'm praying for 1 week time, Lord. The affidavit is ready, we have sent it for waiting, Lord.
Okay. We grant you 10 days, but file it.
Lord.
Okay. 10 days on the, on
10
request,
days.
comma, 10 days further time is granted to file the affidavit in opposition. Full stop. List on, we give a date. List on.
That may be filed after 15 August.
List on 21st. 21st of August.
25.
52.
May I please, Lordship, some time will be required, Lordship. That inspection receipt that is not sufficient, Lord.
Okay.
Some more time will be required, Lord.
Okay.
Lordship. Date may be fixed, Lordship.
What is the matter?
Lordship, regarding, Lordship, the petitioner is an Anganwadi helper, Lordship. He was appointed in the year 1999. Due to an incident happened in 2014, the nearby people has closed the Anganwadi center. Since then, the Anganwadi center is in a closed condition, and they have also.
Okay, if your legal aid counsel.
Lordship.
Okay. Third, Sri A. Gogol, learned legal aid counsel for the petitioner. Para. On the prayer of Sri A. Chakraborty, learned state counsel. No, don't write this. Sri A. Chakraborty, London State Council submits that though certain instructions have been received, comma, those would not be sufficient, and he seeks time to obtain further instructions. Full stop. List after 3 weeks.
Public.
Next.
53 also same Lordship.
50.
Petitioner is a Anganwadi worker.
53 legal aid.
Legal aid.
Mr. Chakraborty.
This case is not yet to receive any inspection, Lordship. Order 3 weeks time, Lord.
এইখানে লিখিব নালাগে আগত যে ইনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যনছ পাইছে এইটো লিখিব নালাগে অকল এই গগৈ এইখিনি থাকিব on the prayer of Sri so matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable obtaining of instructions. Simple.
My lord, the transfer matter, my lord. Exporter, my lord, outer, my lord, 21 fixed, my lord. The direction, my lord, given to the respondent, my lord, to constitute, my lord, board, medical board.
Medical board has constituted lordship and it had already filed order dated 7/8/24 its report, submitted its report. Lordship.
7-8, you have the report.
Yes, I have that.
What does it say?
It says that the wife of the petitioner is suffering from paranoid psychosis with depression,
Okay.
which is a prolonged illness and needs continuous treatment, therapy, and follow-up.
So why don't you review this order of transfer?
But lordship, he is staying in state of Assam for last 7 years, which is also adverse to the policy guideline. But his wife, that is why, and he had previously never raised that his wife is suffering from such problem, Lord. Only after the transfer orders.
No, your medical board has said that the
Medical board stated she is
no, the facts said which he stated in the petition that has been verified to be correct.
yes.
You file an affidavit.
Okay.
Okay. We'll extend the order of stay. Third, 3 L and Dihingi Learned Council for the petitioner. Para. Ms. B. Sharma, Learned CGC, submits that instructions have been obtained on the outcome of the examination done by the medical board on the health condition of the wife of the petitioner. Full stop. It is submitted that the opinion may be, no, see, please for placing the said materials on record by way of an affidavit, full stop, para. List after 3 weeks, para. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
55. Notice was issued on 14/6, madam.
55, who's there? Notice was there. Irrigation.
Irrigation.
Upadhyay.
Receipt.
Get the instructions, new matter. On the pair of 3. And Upadhyay and Standing Council Irrigation Department. List after 3 weeks to enable taking of instructions. You will also file affidavit or what? Sri B. Sharma, appearance, AG.
Obliged.
56.
After notice, this is the first day. my lord.
What was the issue?
Issue relating to, my lord, family pension.
Yes,
But
pension.
that has to be,
But the revision benefits of revision.
revision is not
Okay,
calculated by.
okay.
He's working under the directorate of Pakistan, under PTC.
BTC, yes, BTC.
Council is.
Yes, who's BTC? Who's for BTC?
Their name is not.
Mr. Chaudhary?
My lord.
BTC, you take instructions. BTC is the party, Mr. Chaudhary, M. Chaudhary?
My lord,
Yes, sir.
respond number 3. Joint Director Health Service, Baksa, Mosalpur, BTAD.
Okay.
BTC directly is not a party here.
Doesn't matter, joint director is.
Joint Director is there.
3B Chaudhary, Land Standing Council, BTC, appearing for the respond number 3. Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instructions. Full stop. Ms. S. Sharma, Land Standing Council, Health Department, and Sri B. Chakraborty, Land CGC are present.
Lordship, the name of standing council PTC may kindly be.
AG, we said what? CGC, not CGC. Oh, AG.
Hello, the BTC.
SC, BTC may be reflected in the cause list.
I'm aware.
Yes.
Notice has been issued, madam. Last, madam.
Some instruction received, Lord. Will file affidavit, Lord. Instruction received.
Chakraborty, you will
From
find it.
personal department.
Okay. Sri A. Chakraborty, Lana State Council submits that certain instructions have been received from the personnel department. He full stop. He prays for and is accordingly granted 3 weeks time to file FNU in opposition.
It may be fixed, madam.
What is the matter?
My lord, appointment, disabled person, madam, appointment order.
List. Yes, tell us a date. One. List on 4th is a holiday. 1, 2, 3. On 2nd of September. 2nd September.
Madam. Obliged.
58.
The petitioner, my lord, he has joined in his new place of posting on 15/7/2024, madam. Since there was no interim order, my lord, we were directed.
No, but he says that he'll still be contesting.
Yes, please.
That is revised, because my lord, he is challenging those transfer directive of 13/3/2024, and revised guidelines of 18/3/2024.
Guardian Minister.
Well-
Guardian Minister, not the Chief Minister.
No, my lord, it is regarding the
Guardian
railways,
Minister, Chief,
railways,
Chief.
madam.
Ah,
It's regarding railways. madam.
Railways, oh,
Railways,
this is not the matter. Okay, okay. Then,
Even the responsibility was on him to exercise those options, my lord. He didn't do that.
no, Mr. Rafiq, are you seriously pressing this matters?
Yes, please.
If you are ready, we can hear this matter. Have you filed affidavit?
No, my lord.
You filed the affidavit.
Fine.
I'll bring the instructions.
My lord.
Okay. Oh. Sri M. R. Adhikari, Lanet CGC submits that the transfer order has already been affected.
Yes.
and the petitioner has joined
In view of the High
his
Court order, I have joined.
new place of posting, full stop para. 3. Rafiq, the learned counsel for the petitioner, clarifies that irrespective of the fact that the petitioner has joined his new place of posting, comma, he is still persisting. He will still persist with the challenge made.
Yes.
Para. On the prayer of Sri Adhikari, comma, list matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition.
Let's be 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Next item is also similar. matter.
Name of RDB will be recorded.
RDB is there. Same transfer order.
Same,
Affected.
Yes.
Okay. এটা খালি MR অধিকার বেড়ে আর DB দিবে 4 weeks file the affidavit.
বলা যায়।
Rest of my instruction order is complied with.
Order is complied.
Complied with, madam?
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Sri D. Deka, learned counsel for the sole respondent has submitted that the order dated 6/11/2023 passed in WPC number 642 of 2023, which is the subject matter of this contempt petition, has been complied with. Full stop. Madam, what is your name?
Ndeka.
Ms. N. Deka, learned counsel for the petitioner, endorses the aforesaid submission. Full stop para. In view of such development, comma, this court is of the opinion that there is no reason to have this proceeding, to have this case pending, full stop. Accordingly, the same is closed.
Later.
61. My lord, this case, my lord, already, my lord, your lord has fixed a similar matter on my lord 28/8, my lord. So, my
But
lord,
what is the IA for?
IA, my lord, what happened, my lord, the earlier notification, my lord, this term tenure, my lord, up to my lord 30 June 2024, my lord. Since my lord petitioner, my lord, still my lord in the Northeast region, my lord. So that my lord, the petitioner's prayer, my lord, that my lord to continue, my lord, his accommodation.
Not to take any coercive action.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you contemplating any coercive action?
No.
Then let it be there. We'll have the fix it with along with.
Yes, lord, 28. It is my case
Heart
number.
Free Ellen Dehiya, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Miss R. Devi, learned CGC. Full stop. It is submitted that similar matters are fixed on
28/8.
28/8,
WPC number, my lord, 925 of 2020.
including WPC number 925 of 2023. Full stop. Para. List. Accordingly, list this case along with WPC so and so on 23. 28/8.
Still in my interim on May 40.
Para. Interim order. Passed earlier.
Apply.
To continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, the writ petition approach before your lordship, because of that, the transfer order was put under challenge. My lord, their salary has been withheld in the month of March 2024. Instruction has been performed.
Salaries have been withheld.
My lord, because we challenged the transfer order.
Ms.
Will
Bora?
be released in the next pay cycle, right?
Huh?
Salary will be released, my lord, in the next pay cycle.
Next pay cycle.
My lord, what happened, lordship?
After 28,
My lord, we approached before the
they
authority.
have
my lord.
already processed the.
Then they want.
Now, when is the next pay cycle? Next month?
After 28,
20.
20
as
August.
they have said.
My lord,
my
the process is that, my lord, I think after 20, my lord, they will prepare the pay slip, my lord. Then that will be reimbursed in the first week of the September. My lord, lordship, can you make a one position clear? Outstanding dues with all my lord, service benefits.
Now, first let them pay. Why should we
My lord,
dispose
reason
this?
is that, my lord, they.
No, first let them pay, then we'll see. Because this is only the instructions.
That,
Does not-
lordship, can it be fixed on 20, my lord, 27?
No, we'll have it after 1st of September.
First.
Okay.
But lordship, one observation necessary, otherwise, my lord, they will.
We are not closing this. We are not closing this.
Yes.
We'll see what has been paid to you. Then we'll say that. Give
My
it.
lord,
Okay. Miss A. Bora, learned standing counsel, National Health Mission, submits that written instructions have been received as per which the pending remuneration would be released in the next pay cycle. Full stop. Para, in view of the, in this regard, she has placed on record a communication dated 8/8/2024 received from the executive, from the mission, from the NHM. What's the para? In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed
But
on-
3rd September, madam?
on 3rd of, on 4th is a holiday, on 6th of September. 6th of September. The, a copy of the written instructions is kept with the records. You have a copy?
The persons are facing very big trouble, man, because students are studying at a higher level, my lord, they could not pay the fees, my lord.
Apply.
Yes.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lordship. He said that there's a life. But my case was not even considered for the promotion. That is why the matter is still alive. Because, my lord, if the repetition is allowed, my lord, I would get some benefit.
So, my lord, problem is this, my lord, it has come to me, my lord, three paper stage. I have seen that, my lord, affidavits they have to fight. Now, my lord, I have to take instruction, my lord, because of this end of situation, my lord, the instruction will.
Now, if Mr. Nair is pressing this petition, your clear stand will be required.
Yes, exactly.
We are under the
That's why,
impression
my
that
lord,
perhaps due to elapse of time, a flux of time, matter has become infructuous. But if you say that you might get certain benefits, then in that case, your stand has to be very clear.
Yes, my lord, that's why.
You
my
are
lord,
seeking promotion for which, what post?
For selection grade, my lord. Selection grade.
Now you have retired.
I have retired.
So, I have to take instruction, my lord, and.
Are you flogging a dead horse?
No, my lord. Because, my lord, in fact, I
It
have.
appears
gi-
to.
My lord, I have given, if my lord comes to, my lord, page 17, I've given a table. Even retired persons, they have got the benefit, my lord. Page 17, my lord. I've given a table.
70.
17, my lord.
17.
Yes. These are the persons.
But the other aspect Mr. Mohanta has pointed out, the person against whom you had made the grievance, he has been, his name has been struck off.
I have
number
relinquished,
one.
but that order, my lord, it contains other names as well.
Now let us see, other names, those are not parties.
They are not parties, but
Let
my
us-
lord, I would not be aggrieved by,
Let us see your prayer.
my lord. My lord, first prayer, my lord, is for washing of the notification. Then B,
That-
my lord, is
A
for
is gone.
C and D, my lord, is against the previously arrayed respondent number 8, my
No,
lord.
no, let us see, A should not be issued passing, setting aside.
Next
It
one,
should be-
My
Well, A is gone, A cannot be considered now.
My lord,
A is
My
out
lord.
of purview.
my lord,
Should be directed for B from 2, B is similar.
my lord. C and D, my lord, it pertains to the previously arrayed respondent number 8, my lord.
C and D, then where is, where?
E, my lord, E, my lord. E and F.
You filed this in 19.
2009.
You had gone on retirement on 16.
In 17, my 16.
No, no, 16, 31/7.
31/7,
How do you explain the delay?
My lord, because my lord, I had preferred repetition, representations, my lord, and my lord, I had sought for reasons. Those were refused to me. The reply which I got, my lord, is
You retired in 31/7/2016.
my lord.
And you expect the matter to be considered in 2024.
No, my lord.
Sorry.
My lord, the
No,
impute.
no, no, we don't have time for
No,
luxury of this kind.
My lord, the notification
Sorry.
of 2017, my lord.
Which notification?
The impute notification.
Let us see.
My lord, page
That
48.
is already gone. That is become infructuous.
My lord, I am.
If you are seeking a promotion
My lord.
After retiring in 2016
My lord.
and filing as in 2019, where is the scope?
My lord, in 2017, the notification was issued.
Those persons are gone.
No, my lord, not everyone, my lord. Some of
Those are not parties.
They are not parties. my
Sorry.
lord. I'm not challenging their.
So now we don't have that much liberty and luxury to give time in these matters.
My lord,
Sorry. No point at all.
my lord, but,
We thought you had some point, no point at all.
my lord,
You concentrate on some better case and advise your client not to indulge in this kind of activities
Uh,
of filing matters in 2019. He's a judicial officer
my lord, what he was
having the
on-
highest post in the state,
my,
and he comes for promotion after 3 years of his retirement.
my lord,
What is this kind of
uh,
attitude?
my lord, if I may, my lord, what he was on, my lord, is that other persons, even after the
Other
retirement-
person, only one person has made a party. He's been struck off.
my lord, previous to that, my lord, even after retirement, they have been given the promotions. That was the practice. If my lord once again comes, if
There is no concept of negative equality.
not negative equality, my lord, because
Repeat in our learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri T.J. Mahanta, learned senior counsel, assisted by T. Datta, T. Gogoi, learned for which respondents?
Respondent number 2.
For the
245.
senior standing counsel, Guwahati High Court.
245.
State is represented by the 1 and 3, full stop, para. Have a seat, please. The petitioner was a grade 1 officer of the Assam Judicial Service and had retired from service and had retired on subordination on 31/7/2016. Full stop. As per the petitioner, he had fulfilled all the eligibility and criteria for promotion to the selection grade of district and session judge. Full stop. However, he has contended that he was not considered despite there being 9 numbers of vacancies. Full stop. It is also contended that person junior to him, namely the respondent number 8, was given the benefit of such promotion with effect from 18/6/2016, which was prior to the date of retirement of the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner had accordingly submitted representation, which was rejected. Full stop. Please have your seat. Para. Sri Nair, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has at the outset very fairly submitted that though the respondent number 8 was made party, by an order dated 23/12/2021, his name was struck off. Full stop. At the same time, however, it is submitted that the writ petition had sought 6 numbers of relief, and the relief against serial number E and F would still be open for consideration. Full stop. Para. The learned counsel has further submitted that though the petitioner had retired on 31/7/2016, the impugned notification was published on 1/9/2017, and thereafter the writ petition was filed. Full stop. It is submitted that if the writ petition is held, if the writ petition is allowed, the petitioner would still have certain benefits in his retirement, still have certain benefits in his retirement, in his pensionary benefits, in his retirement and pensionary benefits, full stop, para. Per contra, comma, Sri Mohanta, the learned counsel, senior counsel has submitted that the writ petition itself has been instituted after a considerable delay, full stop. He submits that the name of the respondent number 8 being struck off, comma, the question of challenging, question of, that there would be no challenge, there will be no scope for challenging the notification dated 1/9/2017, full stop. As regards, he has also pointed out that the writ petition was presented on 2/8/2019, which is more than 3 years from the date of retirement of the petitioner. Full stop, para. This court is of the considered opinion that the will not say anything, otherwise would that opinion that a cause of action which was sought to be espoused after 3 years, that too was sought to be espoused after 3 years from the date of superannuation, which pertains to challenging the promotion of an individual, of an incumbent whose name was subsequently struck off by an order of this court, full stop. This court is also of the opinion that even for any further benefits in the pension and other retirement aspect, comma, approaching this court after a delay of more than 3 years would not show that there was lack of due diligence in approaching the court, full stop. On the ground of delay and laches itself, comma, this petition is dismissed, more so when, in the opinion of this court, comma, no effective relief can be granted to the petitioner. Full stop.
I thought the retirement of the benefits being given to the previously retired, but what life would be active for my satisfaction.
Okay. Sri Nair has also submitted that certain there has been instances, that certain persons who had retired earlier were given benefits after the retirement. Full stop. Apart from the aspect that those persons have not been made party respondents, comma, it is a settled position that the rights under Article 14 is a positive right and there is no negative equality.
Deeply obliged.
Respond number? R.K. Talukdar. AG? Okay. 64. Yes, 64.
My lord, in this matter, I am seeking for some time, my lord. We have received.
Mr. Chaudhary has some urgency, some mention was made in the morning. He thought the matter would not be reached. We said.
I have informed my lord that I have received some instruction recently, my lord. I want to file affidavit.
What is the urgency?
That urgency, my lord, only that overstay period amount. That was in the treasury office. I am not getting that. There is a stay order passed by this Congress.
You are for whom? PNRD?
PNRD.
Then
Has he already filed affidavit, my lord?
but treasury, if it's a treasury, then Mr. Borpuzari's hands.
Money may be released.
Who will take the instructions?
Hello?
Which department will take the instruction? PNRD or treasury?
Instruction, he has already got the instruction PNR. The only thing is that, hello?
You'd like to file affidavit or what? But 2020 matter.
Yes, my lord. Within 2 weeks.
We have to file it in 2 weeks.
Only that.
Okay. Hearts Free NNB Chaudhary Learned Council for the petitioner. Para. Though affidavit in opposition has been filed by the respondent number 7 and 8, comma, the Panchayat and Rural Development Department, represented by Sri S. Datta, Standing Council, submits that he would require some more time to file the affidavit in opposition. Full stop, para. Accordingly, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. List on, para, list on 2 weeks, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Design, one,
Nine,
two.
nine, last week on Malta.
On 28, 28,
Our, yeah, yes, my lord.
okay?
Well,
28, 8,
I'm for 7 and 8.
7 and 8. Our Sibur, enough represented by Sibur.
Can it be 27, my lord?
27.
Or
it's a-
29, my.
27 is a Tuesday. 28.
29.
Yes, my lord.
28.
Yes,
Our Sibur, do respondable so and so, represented by Sibur. Our Bharpudari for respondable 9 is present. Okay.
Like.